I'm your type, 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 type. 누르게 되지 like, 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 like. 다른 애들은 swipe, 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 swipe. Double tap this site, I.
사랑하지 내게 아트를 준 모든 애들 my friend 걔네끼리 상응해줘야 돼 움직여 바삐 Double tap 우리 사진 간지 공연 보러 온 누나들은 손가락을 만진 답변 반지 Story 올려 대개선 건강 남자애들 껴 만들어 mosh pit 한국에 있는 애들 DM 아직 come to Korea 가자마자 벌려 기대한 것이 발을 뒤져 비껴 나간 예상어리 피처처럼 smooth sailing 시대 흐름 우리 신경을 안 써 연어 응원하는 애들 숨죽이지 이제 시간은 금이고 우린 bank ice 다섯 배로 벌려 우리 몸값 21세기 boys 우리 못 가는 데가 없어 목소리는 뻗쳐가지고 worldwide Room is my planet I can go everywhere worldwide
I'm your type, 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 type. 누르게 되지 like, 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 like. 다른 애들은 swipe, 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 swipe. Double tap this site, I.
사랑하지 내게 아트를 준 모든 애들 my friend 걔네끼리 상응해줘야 돼 움직여 바삐 Double tap 우리 사진 간지 공연 보러 온 누나들은 손가락을 만진 답변 반지 Story 올려 대개선 건강 남자애들 껴 만들어 mosh pit 한국에 있는 애들 DM 아직 come to Korea 가자마자 벌려 기대한 것이 발을 뒤져 비껴 나간 예상어리 피처처럼 smooth sailing 시대 흐름 우리 신경을 안 써 연어 응원하는 애들 숨죽이지 이제 시간은 금이고 우린 bank ice 다섯 배로 벌려 우리 몸값 21세기 boys 우리 못 가는 데가 없어 목소리는 뻗쳐가지고 worldwide Room is my planet I can go everywhere worldwide internet international to Instagram worldwide double tap worldwide 야 이제 우리는 virtual 가고 싶은 대로
type. 누르게 되지 like, 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 like. 다른 애들은 swipe, 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 swipe. Double tap this site, I.
일상공공 같이 날기 원하지 나 협찬 날기 오르지 우리는 하이킹 너무 쉽지 마치 사비 스티커 보면 알아 우리 무대 좀 쓸어 담을 거야 진짜 전부 1300 같이 날기 락스타 1300 같이 이제 달라붙어 우리한테 더블팀 레이블에서 연락 마치 허리케인 무시하던 새끼들은 어디에 얼른 숨어 미리 사나 1플러스 이제 우리 노래 어디 가는 들려 몇 년 전에 비웃었지 그래 바로 너 생각보다 우리들의 덩치 너무 커 이제 와서 빨아봤자 I don't give a fuck 어서 움직여 넌 어서 뭐 백날 재미없는 노래 뱉어봤자 wow 사자 새끼 어디서 네 명함 내밀어 너를 퇴치하지 우리들은 let's go on a new level keep it on the low 너가 전화할 때 나는 수신 거부 flow I 멈추지 마치 Rolex non-stop racks on racks 못 벌면 난 죽어 bounce we got the juice no time 낭비할 수 없으니까 나는 항상 work baby working hard 맨날 twerk bounce we got the juice no time 낭비할 수 없으니까 나는 항상 work baby working hard 맨날 twerk
I'm your type. 누르게 되지 like, 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 like. 다른 애들은 swipe, 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 swipe. Double tap this site, I.
to me, make love with me, ecstasy. Stay with me, Mediterranean. Senses tired and lost. Never knew it was a habit. All the sins they're killing my ghost. Will I ever go and find it? The getaway that nobody told. Tell me why you went around with me to set me free. Do I need to wait a little more for the right time? Do I need
There is a ridiculously high chance it goes to 656. And there will be blood. There's a high chance of this. There's a high chance of 656 and blood. Watch. Just watch. Watch. Everyone thinks it's not along. Watch. Here we are, 656, right? Now, markers change. If it goes through this FVG, then it's a different story, but watch. There's a high chance it's gonna deflect. Yes. There's a very high chance it deflects. Right here, watch. This first red wick's important. Over here. This is the liquidity zone. But overall, it is looking like a short today.
Normally you like a watching 5?
No. 1 and 3 minute graph is for entry. Only entry. So basically, you always start with a weekly.
Week?
You always start with weekly. Because look, it's really like the patterns are really easy to see on weekly. So right now we're extremely bullish, right? But then we're about to head to a super liquidity zone. We're actually at the super liquidity zone. If we don't surpass 668, it's bad. Okay, 668's bad because there. Okay, I'll explain on stream. Here, let's just start now. Hi guys.
Hello world.
Hello world. Okay, yeah, I'm Noel.
Yeah, I'm Ruth.
And this is Lut. Now,
I'm here in Bangkok.
yeah, we're in Bangkok at the moment. The moment the wife comes with the booze, we will officially start.
Yeah, his
officially.
wife, not my wife.
Not his wife. He's a player. Lut's a player. Let me get on Discord. On Discord. Okay. Let's actually unmute. Let's have fun with Discord. You guys can talk whatever you want to ask. Just personal stuff for now, like until the wife comes.
Yeah. You can ask like
You can ask us anything.
stupid questions.
Stupid questions.
Tell me.
Stupid questions do exist.
Hello. Hello, dude.
Hello, wife. That's okay. Damn.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Oh, which one? Chai. My. Say hi, you're live. Yeah. Hey, me. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's start. We'll start after Luke gets his beer.
แก้วนี้เหรอเอากระป๋องนี้ก่อนแคนนี้ก่อน You see the logo อะ
มันเห็นโลโก้
เอ้าไม่ดีเหรอ
Leo or sing. Sing
ซิ
Leo.
งค่ะ
Sing on, sing on.
I feel out of place. The roads are
Hello.
the same, like they were when you were the one driving my car, and now I just can't
Actually, you take this. This is
waste of our yesterdays as I go on the 101 highway, and it's taking me back to the start. We lost everything. We lost everything, but you'll always stay close to my heart. We lost everything. We lost everything, but you'll always stay close to my heart.
Okay, let's go. Chunk out, chunk out. 10,
Cheers
10. Cheers, chunk out.
Cheers
Okay, alright, sorry guys, it's the first stream. It's extremely unorganized, however. Oh, wait, it passed 656. Watch.
You're gonna be
But dude, I swear this is short. Watch,
yeah,
just watch.
I think
This
so.
is
I think
such
so.
a short, dude.
I
but,
think so.
But that being said, I would never take this straight.
Why?
Hella dangerous.
Lyric?
Yeah, because we're at 658 now, right? The liquidity zone 668, right?
666
668.
668
Yeah, that's the super strong liquidity zone.
Uh-huh.
668, 684, 696, and 70.
You're gonna tell me it's
So those are the
not past.
no, those are the strong liquidity zones. That's why it's taking so long to go up, right? Because remember what I told you about the shorts, right? How's the cliff? Like when shorts
Yeah.
dump, it
Yeah.
dumps, you know,
Yeah.
like this.
Big drop.
But then when longs, they tend to deflect a lot. It's really hard to go up because everyone has sell orders.
Collected.
Because no one's buying. So it's supply and demand, right?
Uh-huh.
The most simple concept, right? Supply and demand.
Uh-huh. Supply demand.
Yeah. Say you have 10 beers,
Yeah.
and then there's a zombie apocalypse.
Uh-huh, I
Nobody
see.
have beer anymore.
I see, I
Everybody
see.
wants to buy your beer,
Yeah.
right? But then it's really simple. Just think like that. So at those levels, there's a lot of people that want to sell.
All.
Yeah.
Sell
yeah.
all.
Yeah. Because you know why? Like I told you, like everyone went long or bought at those spots. So everyone's trying to break even. That's the problem here. Everyone wants to break even at least, right? So everyone's just doing the exchanges a favor by
Yeah.
giving the fees. That's what's going on. So right now, I just told you the zones, right? 668, 684, 696, and 70.
sure.
And like anything above 70, I don't even care what it is. I'm just going short.
Short.
I'm
Only
dead serious.
Short. Only short.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
so, all right, guys. Let's just explain the liquidity zones real quick. I mean, actually, I'm getting way too ahead. So, let's start with the super basics. So, we'll start by margin trading. Okay, guys, margin trading.
Margin trading.
This is very basic stuff. So we have this is demo trade money, by the way. We have $100,000 credit, right? Usually people just go isolated. I go cross only. Okay, but I'll explain that later. I only do cross.
Why? Why you don't?
Because
Isolate.
isolated is a system built in by the exchange to stop you out.
Uh-huh.
I swear to you.
It's safe.
Yes, safe for the exchange to stop you out.
I see.
That's what I think. Don't guys, don't listen to me 100%. This is like years of getting wrecked and learning. But isolated, I don't like
Okay.
it because like it's basically I'll tell you this: you have $100,000, right? And then say you make a $20,000 trade,
Yeah.
right? But then that means your $80,000 is safe.
Yeah.
It's safe.
For beginner like me,
It's safe. Yeah, but that's a trap. Beginners like you do super tight stop losses.
Yeah.
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 Am I right or wrong, guys? You guys do super tight stop losses, and how many times do you get stopped out before it goes the other way?
Yeah. Because take a little chance.
It's a high risk, high reward. Why are you?
Yeah,
why
yeah,
are
yeah,
you
yeah.
even margin trading?
Yeah.
If
okay.
Okay, so anyway, what margin trading is, guys, is so the reason I know why leverage, aka margin trading, is banned in most Western countries is this, because the banks usually look at your credit score, what do you have, how much money you're making, etc., and lend you money, right?
Okay.
So the reason for margin and leverage trading is illegal in the States, in my opinion, is so how it works is I have $100,000. I go 10x leverage, right?
10x.
Let's just do it for the sake of argument, okay? We'll go 10.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. 10.
We'll go 10. And then we just go. I go market. We go 10 bits BTC. We just go long, okay? Just to show. You see this right here? Value is $658,000, right?
Right.
But then that's 10x.
10x.
So they're giving me credit. They're lending me money.
Yeah.
So my money is the credit.
Yeah.
And they're lending me money.
Like
It's real money.
Loan, like a loan.
Yeah, it's like a loan.
Yeah.
So that is illegal because imagine how many, because right now the federal is like what, 5.1%, 5.5% a year. It actually, they calculate this by time.
Okay.
So every second you're actually paying interest, 0.0001%.
Yeah. For
Yeah.
for
Yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah. So I think it's illegal in the States due to it being an actual loaning system. You know, so that's why I think, you know,
That's why.
I think that's
make a
why.
lot of money.
yeah, I mean, banks are always banks. But then, yeah, that's what leverage trading is, guys. It's basically they lend you the money for whatever amount of time, and then that you use that money, and then so 10x leverage. So if it's 0%, you're just doing spot. Whatever the coin moves or whatever the graph moves, okay, that's how much money is up or down, just following the graph. But then if you obviously do 10 times the money, you can make 10 times more or lose 10 times more.
times. Okay.
But I don't have $1 million, but I have $1 million trade, right?
I see.
So in reality, if I did zero leverage, right, and it dropped 10%, my
10%.
money will be at $90,000, right?
Yes, right.
But then I borrow 10 times the money. So even if I were to, only lose 10,000 on a normal thing,
Yeah.
I would get liquidated. Liquidated means they take all my money.
Yeah.
It's not good.
I see.
Yeah. So that's the very basics of margin trading. And see over here on the bottom, realized that's the fees.
Fee.
So $362 to have went out to the fees already. That's the opening fee. And when I close, there's more.
There's more.
Yeah, there's more
Because
fees. So basically,
how long? How
Yeah.
long it's
Yeah.
gonna take time?
yeah. So
Fees run. Fees run.
yeah. So basically, that's the super basics of leverage trading. And yeah, let's go on to the like technical stuff. So that's the basics of it. And over here, no, so OC's breaking out. Oh, that's fun. I mean, we both call it short, but then remember what I told you, instincts. If it breaks, it broke out already. It's long.
Yeah, it's broke out.
So
Yeah,
guys,
yeah.
so the number one thing I hate, that I absolutely despise, is these sort of questions. Is BTC going to 68K? Like 70K? People ask this stuff all the time, right? On the internet.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing? Why? Why are you spamming rocket emojis and giving people hope? You know what that is?
Yeah.
Have you noticed every time somebody gets into a fight? Not even a fight. If I call somebody anything, or even critique, defense mechanism, right?
Okay.
Like deflections.
Yeah.
But you are, that's the same thing what they're doing. It's all psychology.
Psychology.
'Cause
it's all about psychology.
They want it to go 70.
Yeah.
So they want other people's approval. Oh yeah, rocket emoji. To the moon.
I see.
Why? To me, yeah. Those are the wrong questions to ask.
People don't think it the same way, right?
And then, okay, no. I'll do call outs towards the end of the video because I'm anyway. Yeah, I really don't like signal sellers, by the way. Like, that's the main thing. Wow, it broke out so hard. Holy. Look at that, dude. Yeah, it's wow. So bullish. Dude.
Wow.
So right now, this is actually good we entered this because I'll show you how to like get out of this thing once it deflects, okay? This is basically a free ride to 668. Honestly, I haven't even looked at the chart like on a big scale, but I got wrecked around those areas before, so I know those are strong liquidity points. And then if we go 4-hour charts, so basically, guys, here's the concept. So we'll go over some more basic stuff, okay? Now we go chart patterns, right?
Chart pattern, yeah.
Chart patterns. Well, just the forex, whatever. Okay. The whole point of this right now, why I'm doing this for you guys, like this chart pattern stuff, right? This is the #1 trap absolutely every trader on the planet falls into in the beginning.
Why?
Because
Why
look,
you said
I'll
that?
I'll explain why. These patterns make sense. They do. Like, I love the head and shoulders. I don't like flags. I love wedges. I like head and shoulders. Triple top, triple bottom. I love those. I don't like the ascendings. I don't like. I'll explain why. So all these patterns make sense, right? But then we go to any. We see ideas, right? New people, look for answers on the internet. Okay.
Yeah.
But then look.
People like me.
But here's the problem with these charts. This causes confusion, and I really want to explain this to you guys right now. We'll do with League of Legends terms, okay? You know League of Legends, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you don't know, but okay. League of Legends, there's challengers all the way down to iron level players, okay? Here's how the market works. Here's the game. There's challenger, which is top 0.1%. That's challenger. That's hedge funds, institutions, whales. Okay, that's 0.1% are challengers.
It's fun.
Next 1%. So like we're talking like top 2%, right? So next 1.9%, those are like master to like grandmaster, like really good. So they're actually still making good money. And then there is the like diamond, which is like 10%. But then the funny thing about 10%, you know what happens?
What?
All these are graphs, right? All these are charts. Believe it or not, your life has a chart.
Yeah.
Your life has a chart.
Yeah.
I'm serious. Like, you know how when
Yeah,
bad things happen, you're
like
you're
graph.
yeah, you're dumping, and then
Yeah,
but then
yeah.
when good things happen, you keep pumping, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
and then so these things right here, what happens is, what was I saying before the life thing? Before the life thing, what was I saying?
Before.
Freaking hell. Anyway, these patterns, why these patterns are so terrible is because you don't know what time frame they're looking at.
I see. Time frame important, right?
It's hella important. It's the most important thing. Look, he's looking at a wedge. He's looking at
Yeah.
a shoulder.
But don't know the time frame, right?
What time frame are we looking at, guys? And he's looking at a double bottom. He's looking at a rising wedge. I don't know what he's looking at. And then there's like, everyone has a different time frame.
Right.
It just causes chaotic confusion. And then, because the more you do research, the more it actually makes sense. All these things make sense, so it causes confusion.
Yeah.
That's why it's like 51% long, 49% short.
Yeah.
It's so weird. That's how it works. And then all these lines are drawn, right? And then now he's looking on a global scale. So as a new trader, you're just like so confused.
Yeah. A lot of confusion. More research.
That's the point I was getting at. So the League of Legends thing. So that the top 10%, they consolidate. Their money consolidates. So if you start with, let's say, $200.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you're like top 10% of trader. You know what happens to you? You go to $30. So you're winning money. You're happy, right?
Happy.
The weirdest thing, once you're at that $30, you drop that down to like 15. I don't know. It's the weirdest thing. So those are the guys that consolidate. Win, lose. So they are making money because they take some profits, but they can't break that barrier. It's the weirdest thing. So that's like the top 10% of traders. So only like top 2% make real money. And then you know what happens? So after the top 10%, everybody, all of you guys are silver, bronze. That's just the trading game. All you guys are silver, bronze level.
Really?
None of you are making money.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying.
That's right.
I promise.
That's right.
You know how like the top 10%, I just told you, it's like diamond and up, and then it just, there's no gold, platinum, emerald, none of that. It goes straight to silver and wood, bronze, whatever. That's reality.
For me, minus,
And then, so why are you guys paying for all these signals, doing so much research? I actually have this I don't have the statistics, but I can get a chimpanzee. He will have better win rates than you guys. I'm dead serious. A chimpanzee has no emotion. If you just teach the chimpanzee, right? I'm being super serious right now. Hey, chimp, here's red and green. What do you think is gonna come next? Chimp's gonna go. He's gonna have better win rate than you.
First instinct.
It's not even about first instinct. It's about you're confusing yourself.
I see.
It really is.
I see. Don't hesitate, right?
You can't hesitate. The funny thing is, I posted a thread on Reddit, and then one of the things was follow your instinct, and then the biggest example was the BTC weekly, right? And then I posted here. So on the weekly, when we dump like this, like super hard, so everyone saw the 49K before, right? But then we go up, and then we're dumping here, so everyone's like super scared. So around here, everyone was expecting 49K.
49K.
Yeah, right here. Everyone was expecting 49K. So everyone had long orders there. So let me ask you, if you're an institutional player, would you let people like me and you get free?
No. Do opposite. Yeah.
So this is the stuff I'm talking about. So instead of everyone having sell orders or buy orders here, and everybody has sell orders at 70K. So what makes you think I'm trying to steal your money? The cool thing about the margin trading game, we're not fighting against the exchange. I'm fighting you. I'm fighting you. I'm fighting you. There's no edge. Okay, there's no edge. This is Texas Hold'em. Exchanges are only taking the rake.
I see.
It's purely up to you guys. It's free for all. That's why I'm starting this program. You know why? Because you guys keep getting screwed by these scammers. It's actually pissing me off. You guys get screwed by scammers. You guys do over research, and then you guys see all these influencers making money. And then the weird thing about this generation is like, why are you pocket watching so much? You guys are paying Discord chats to go in their Discord, right?
Yeah.
And then he's playing with the money you gave him, so he has no emotion. Because he knows he has hundreds of thousands every month.
Yeah.
That's why he's good at trading.
He got your money.
And then it's so terrible. It's actually terrible. So what I'm trying to say is the instinct thing actually makes sense, because what I saw here, I actually posted on Reddit. I got receipts for everything. I said, psychology. No one's gonna give you guys a free ride. But inverse head and shoulders is here. Look, low,
You're gonna tell
lower,
me
lower.
All about
So
psychology, right?
it's me versus you. You know how you have a friend that you know him so well. You can tell by the way he texts what he's thinking, right? It's just like that. We're the market. We're the market, and I'm gonna clean this shit up because we're the market. Because look, I just have to know how to detect people well. That's all it is. So I actually had buy orders at 54.5, not 49, but it did drop to 52, not 52.8 or something. But then I kept DCAing because I knew it's not gonna hit 40s. I just knew it. So it was like 53.7, and I sold it at like 58 if I still held, of course. But no one holds like this if it's margin trading. You know, so like that's like the basic stuff. Just to get that out the way, to be vigilant. Never a chimp could trade better than you guys that are. I'm being super serious. I'm not even being mean. It's just factual. You guys have to hear facts because it's getting out of hand. Okay, and then if you're really this good, you should be at Wall Street or starting a hedge fund, not selling me signals, right?
You're gonna tell me like the hedge fund thing opposite.
Not opposite, because there are economic factors, right? Now here's some cool stuff that I'll share with you guys. Why I only trade crypto. So many reasons why. Crypto has a bad image, right? These meme coins, altcoins, whatever, is it gonna go up, down? So the average intelligence level in crypto is so low. You understand?
Yeah.
And they're scared to lose money. You see all these. Why are all these wicks longer on the bottom, not on the top? Why is that? All you guys are getting stopped out and wrecked. When you stop out, because you go opposite. If you're going short, and then you have a choice to buy at a cheaper price later. That's why you make money, right? But why is it that every tail, the wick is longer on the bottom, not at the top. All you guys are getting stopped out.
Yeah.
I'm dead serious.
Yeah.
Because why all the noobs go long? Like I just told you. You know? Longs are slow. Shorts are cliffs. You know? Like this took how long? Look, how long does this take?
For me,
Weeks,
for me,
right? It took
me,
2 weeks to take it all out. Yeah.
It's very easy to like a DCA or like a collect and hold. I think easy, but long. You see?
No. When you're new to the game, I suggest you guys only do longs because it's a lot more safer and it saves you a lot more. You know, because shorts are really hard because it's such a short time. It doesn't take long.
Yeah.
You know,
as I see for the like a time frame.
Yeah. If people don't like the long, people are just gonna off the short.
Yeah.
And you know what's
but
you know
it's your type, right?
yeah, and
It's
then
your size.
here's the funny thing. You know how I just told you guys about chimps, right? And then you know how I just told you it's short. But then as soon as it broke out, I'm just okay. It's weird. Because I told you there's a high chance of deflection at 656. But I looked at it. It was 657 something. So I was it broke. Just go long. Look at that shit.
Then.
Let's just close. I know it's fake money, but just close it. I don't even want to look at charts until the tournament starts. So let's just close it. But then yeah, chimps will do better than the average person. I'm being super serious. I guarantee you the chimp will have like a 55% win rate.
Because they no hesitate. They just choose. Because people like me see news, watch or like a technical.
Oh yeah. So
And make confident,
okay,
right?
let me explain to you guys why I only trade crypto. So number one, intelligence, the average person. Number two, it's the institutions and the whales don't have as big as an edge in crypto against us versus something that's established like the SPY or the S&P 500, Nasdaq, any forex, gold, etc. Those guys have, it's called high frequency trading, HFTs. So what HFTs are, so all these are bots.
It's fun.
I understand this market is 24/7, but there's not people buying billions dollars worth of coins 24 hours a day. They're just
people.
it's just simply not.
Yeah.
These are bots. If you look at the pattern during the weekend, because weekends are slow, it's all bot movement. It really is.
As
That's why we call it the dead cat bounce. Have you heard of the word dead cat bounce?
dead cat bow.
It means it's like a dead stock. There's no
dead
volume, but
Only bot,
but it
only
goes
bot,
but it
right?
goes up slowly.
Only bot.
Yeah. So it's the algorithm of the bot.
It's like Thai stock in the past.
Yeah.
It's
So
only bot.
So to continue, crypto is so new. No companies have invested billions of dollars. Well, some maybe, but it's not even as close to established as let's say gold or USD to yen. Yeah, forex. Because those guys have billions worth of dollars that do algorithms, and they're so quick with it. They eat off of the small maker fees. So they're like a mini exchange in a way.
Yeah.
You know, they make 0.002% off of per trade
yeah.
with billions of dollars.
Yes.
Right? But then the funny thing about crypto is we have so many resources in crypto. Okay? I'll give you guys everything I know. All the edges. We go to the heat map. Can't believe this is free. Oops. Now they're gonna charge us. But look, what this is.
What is the heat map?
You don't even know what the heat map is? Okay,
Yeah,
guys. Okay.
It's my first time.
Guys, I'm trying to create a competitive nature for you guys. Now watch. Here's the 24-hour heat map. It always follows the heat map.
Really?
There's a heat map for gold, but I'm aware it's super expensive. You know? So like over here, we go like a 6-month heat map, right? So this is the liquidation heat map. It means if a price hits a certain point, people are going to get liquidated. So look, right here. If price goes to 70.4, $6.1 billion, the suicide hotlines are going to open. You understand me? Yeah.
This color.
This is crazy. That's why I'm saying I don't care where we are at 70s. Look at the liquidation heat map. Look, $6 billion. Dude, that's so much money. Yeah.
Describes like a heat camera, right?
They have the liquidation.
This liquidation.
Look at the resources that are available in crypto. Look, 3 months. But then this is long. This is for like This actually pretty useless.
Wow, this is new for me.
It's so good. Look, here's 1 week. I usually look at the daily up to a week. You don't really need to look too far. So look, so if we go 1 week, everyone's going long. So if we drop here, there's gonna be, look at that, $712 million is gonna disappear off the markets.
Of course.
So what do you think happens? Okay. What does the exchanges have, guys? Hot wallet, cold wallets, right? Exchanges have hella money. What do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna dump on you just to liquidate you right here,
Ah, I see.
right?
The whale, right?
And yeah, well, what did I say? We're not going against the exchanges, but then there's shady stuff going on. So if I'm a whale, I'm gonna dump it just for you to provide me liquidity, because it's me versus you. It's a fight. Remember?
Yeah.
We're not fighting against the casino. We're at the poker table. It's me versus you.
like a poker.
Yeah. So like 1 week, 2 week. This is the greatest thing ever. Like, look at this. It's like a map pack. So now
will always bluff you.
So now if we look at short term, like 1 week, 2 week, there's not much liquidity up here. But then, see, it's so weird how this works. It's like the strong liquidity, it's bound to sweep. Look, it's swept, right? Look how many people get liquidated. Douche. And then you see there's like nothing now because there's no liquidation because everybody got liquidated. Look how easy the map is to look at. This map alone, guys, I swear, this map alone is gonna increase your win rate by 30%. This is all free. And I'm providing you guys for free.
Heat map.
Why are these signal sellers screwing you guys over? I don't understand. But then you have to look at the monthly. It's just like a chart, right? So like, there's gonna be a big short, but then the longer it goes, the more concentrated it is. So look at this lightsaber, dude. 17. We're not getting through this.
Big volume.
We're not getting through this. All of you guys that are saying 80K, 100K, we're not going there. How are you gonna get through this? Because when these guys get liquidated, what happens? No. What happens? We're going
up, and
all these guys are short sellers, right?
yeah.
So everyone, the more people get liquidated, the opposite it goes.
Yeah.
But then here's the funny part. Everyone thinks, hey, the more liquidations, the more volume, and it goes up.
Yeah.
Not
FOMO.
Not really, because now you guys have provided liquidity at these 72K marks. So there's so much liquidity now. The whales hit the short. So if you guys read any trading books,
I see.
I only read one book, but then I saw some snippets off of other trading books, and the interview is so funny. He's like, "Hey, what's your I forgot his name, but he flipped like 100,000 into 400 million."
Really?
Yeah. So on the interview, they're like, "Hey, what's your secret to trading?" It's like, dude, just look at the heat map, and wherever you guys' stop losses or the liquidation areas, that's where I go.
Yeah, it's good.
So just short it at 72. You're good to go.
It's easy. It's
Hella
easy to watch,
dude.
Yeah.
This Jesus, dude, stop getting screwed. So this is like the
This
heat
is
map.
new for me. But
Yeah.
Easy.
I mean, there is other heat maps, but then they charge a lot of money. This is the cool thing about crypto. Crypto is not all negative. There's shovel money. You can just shovel it. You can with crypto.
liquid. For this one,
Yeah. And it shows. Look,
Return-
yeah. Like you go, just look how beautiful this map is. It's so easy to look at. It's like a map pack. See?
Good.
Yeah, so you guys can go to CoinGlass, and then whatever you guys do, I mean, there are heat maps for everything, like watch gold heat map, liquidation. It's like liquidation heat map, and then but they charge a lot of money for the established ones, so you guys have to get into crypto before. See, look, it's all BTC, but then yeah, there are ones for gold and like other ones, but then I think
Very important, right?
very important. This shows when the suicide hotlines are gonna open. Oh, I kind of like. I don't know. Let's just have fun. Let's go like 150 bitcoins. Let's go short. Oh, we're at 10. Ugh. Who does 10? I go 30.
You're gonna ask me. Liquidation is very, very important, right?
Yeah, that's the liquidity.
Yeah.
Because small people like us can just buy anywhere, right?
Yeah.
We can just buy anywhere. Because there's liquidity everywhere. You only have $100, but then what if you have like $2 billion?
I see.
There's no liquidity, and then that's why, guys, I like the 4 hour for the zones. So if we look here, So you know how if we pump, like let's look on the hourly. So we pump here, and then see how it drops. You know why do you think it drops? Just because people are selling? They're collecting liquidity. Whales have nothing to buy. No. So then, if you look at the charts enough, you know if it's a real dump or if it's like a liquidity grab. Never leave during the liquidity grab because it's still the trend is still upwards.
I see.
You know, because that's why if we look on the charts, right, and then you see how it's like this, uniform like this, it's grabbing liquidity. You have to know how to tell the difference between consolidation and liquidity grab before it shoots up. And then yesterday, the homies local, I'll give you all a shout out. You guys were waiting in Discord, but I told you guys everyone's still confused because we're right here. We're right here.
Yeah, around here.
It's not confusing. I said big long yesterday at 637. Big long.
Big long.
Big long at 367.
Yeah.
Or 37 or 3
Yeah, today.
excuse me, 637. Big long. Why? Here's how easy trading is, okay? Here is the initial dump, double top.
Double top. Okay.
Yeah, right here. This is the so let me get this straight. Let me make this crystal clear. A double top, triple top doesn't mean the exact same spot, the exact same day. It simply does not. Okay, to me, this is a triple bottom. Right here. Dish, dish, dish.
You see in one day graph.
Yep. To me, this is a triple bottom. To me. Okay?
Triple bottom.
And to me, this is the I ate so hard off here. This is a triple top right here. Right here. That's a triple top right here. That's a triple top.
Okay.
I'm serious. And then all these, it tells me, look, so lower low, right? But then look over here. It keeps going. The patterns are so damn easy. And then of course you can think, oh, in hindsight, of course, dude, come on. Like these patterns are so dumbed down. Cause look, now we see the double top. That's the initial bounce from the 49, right? So that's the highest it went ever, right?
Yeah.
Now we're extremely bullish currently because this double top was supposed to be the ultimate liquidity zone. That's why it took 4 days to crack. Okay? But then why it's so confusing because other
resistance line.
yeah, that's the liquidity zone. So why it's so confusing here is because we're not quite at the double top here. We keep deflecting here, right? So new traders are gonna be like, oh, is it up? Well, new traders not even gonna see this, but they see this.
Yeah, you see only this. Yes.
But then if you super look close, we're talking like super, dude. Like the lowest low, it actually goes up slightly. So I compared. All I did, this is a hack. All I did was compare this price here and here, and it was like $17 higher here. That's the only reason I went long.
The tail, right?
Yeah, that's the only reason. The $1 matters. It matters a lot.
I see.
What did I tell you before? Are we fighting the exchange or am I fighting you? I'm fighting you, right?
Yeah.
So the $1
like a poker.
$1 is massive. Massive. If it's consolidating like this, that $1 tells me thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people have their buy orders slightly higher. That's all it tells me. It's supply and demand.
Demand.
And what did I tell you in the car? Big Short.
Big shot.
At 6 over here this day.
Yeah.
I told you in the car.
Yeah.
And then,
Yesterday.
it was 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
And then I told you, dude, I'm losing. And you asked me questions. I said, look, hurry up, long or short. You answered in 2 seconds. Short.
Yeah, sure.
I said, then fucking go short.
Yeah, the first.
And then what did I text you 4 hours
Don't
later?
think too much. Just.
And what did I text? No. What
instinct.
what did I text you 4 hours later?
Yeah.
See, Big Short. Did you enter the trade? And you're like, no.
But, I'm so busy, man.
Oh my gosh, dude. But yeah, those are like the super basics. Dude, there's so much to cover. I think we should actually start taking questions here in a little bit. But yeah, cheers real quick.
Cheers.
Yeah, or there's a free ride to 668. Let's look at no, but this is crazy bullish. Crazy bullish. It's so bullish. It's actually not even funny how bullish this is right now.
But I think it's gonna.
This is extremely bullish.
Extremely
bullish at the moment. Well, I'm an intraday trader, so my extremely bullish is not like the internet extremely bullish. Internet extremely bullish is like, oh, Bitcoin to 1 million. Bitcoin 100. That's no. That's selling snake oil. Okay, that's selling hope. Don't do that. But this is extremely bullish right now. Like, what do you see here? So, 15-minute is my favorite. No,
Yeah.
3-minute is my favorite.
It's
Hands down.
it's depend on like your style or my style, right?
It doesn't matter whose style. This is simply the style I came up with.
Uh-huh.
I can't say it's
for
facts.
basically for me a rookie. I should
If you're a rookie, go to just don't do it more than 5 minutes because the
5 minutes.
Yeah, because the lower it is, it's so wild. You know, and then like over here, say live time, right? Because if you're just watching like here, but then the way it moves, you see how intimidating these candles look. The price difference is not even that high. It's like 662 to. It's like a $230 difference. But then when you see it in real time, it moves quick. It's scary. It really is scary. So completely stay away from the 1 minute. The 1 minute is made for like 100x people
yeah,
that
I see,
that
I see.
eat like 200 ticks.
I see. That's
Yeah,
like
it's
a
a totally different game.
sniper shot, right?
Yeah. That's what I actually posted online too. You tend to try to snipe on the 1 minute. It's very not healthy, you know. So
yeah.
Noob's going to 5 minute because and then
like- 5 minutes for the
5
rookie,
minute.
right?
Yeah, 5 minute.
5 minutes or 15 minutes.
15 is really good. Well, why 15? My favorite is it's an even number. So 15 is uniform with the 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour. So you gotta combo them up too. Now we're getting into like a slightly more technical stuff. So the reason I like the 15 is the form is so beautiful. Like, you get the best patterns on the 15. The best patterns on the 15. Period. Look, again, hindsight, guys, right? But look at this crazy beautiful hammer.
Yeah. Very beautiful.
Holy,
hammer.
every time the hammers on the 15 are so dope. I can't even stress this enough.
See.
It's so dope. Like the 15, because you can see like the wicks and the price action volume really good too.
Easy to look. Easy to
15 is absolutely,
decision, right?
absolutely beautiful as the
Okay,
15. I love
okay.
the 15.
Okay.
So 15 is like, you look at the patterns for the intraday only. You know what that means, right? So if we go to the weekly and the trend is clearly bullish, so keep that in mind. So keep that in mind because we're trading intraday, which means within a daily time frame. So anything under this, keep it down. So anything under this, daily is intraday.
Entry day.
So keep that in mind. We're going up. Keep that in mind because there's degenerate people like me that want to short all the time. I love short. I don't do long. But so I would just like eat like here and here because I'm greedy.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the big deflection, the trend
the
changer.
big drop, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So but then you look at the velocity of the candles, you know. So it's like, oh, is it coming? So I'm excited here.
yeah.
I'm getting aroused. You know, I'm like, oh,
Big
is it
drop.
coming? Is it coming? It's not coming. All right, let's get out. So I'm totally fine with just eating little off intraday because I hate long. I really don't like long.
It's your side.
Yeah.
Waiting for the big drop. Wait and see.
No. Well, here's the thing. It's all psychology, right? It's like dopamine rush, like the excitement. So
I see.
if you go to a casino in Vegas, like the cool thing about everything in the world is human psychology. That's basically the lesson I'm getting at. Everything in the world.
Psychology.
Everything in the world. Say you're at a party, everybody happy.
Yeah.
But then one person comes in, the whole mood changes.
I see.
The whole mood changes.
Like annoying people or
It's just the energy it gives off. So I love to curse. I love
I see.
black culture where I listen to a lot of rap. It's extremely violent.
Yeah.
But then when I trade, I listen to like or no music at all.
environment.
Yeah. And then I really try not to curse. It's so weird. Like I go on these crazy win streaks.
You're gonna tell me if you know like people thinking you can win the trade.
Basically, no, it is market psychology. That's why the most important thing is war. So here's another thing you must check. If you're doing crypto, you have to check the Nasdaq chart. You have to check the Nasdaq chart because
It's connecting.
now it is because crypto is a stock basically because ETF.
I see.
It follows Nasdaq. But the sucky thing about crypto is if bad news happened on weekend, say bad news happened Friday night after market close, it doesn't. So it's there. So people are scared that are still in position. They're scared for market open on Monday. But but listen. So on Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, that issue gets resolved. So it doesn't have an effect on Monday. The Friday, no. Listen, there's a bad news on Friday. Okay.
Saturday, Sunday close.
The market doesn't open.
Yeah.
Stock market doesn't open weekends.
Yeah.
So people that are in the trade are scared. Man, Monday's gonna suck. But then we realize as a market and as people, it's not really that bad news. So it gets resolved. It gets fixed. So on Monday, the positions aren't as bad. The bad thing about crypto, if bad thing happened on Friday, because crypto market 24 hours, it's gonna die.
I see.
It actually happened in April when there was a war.
I see.
It wasn't even a war. It was like
big war.
Yeah, it was like Iran and Israel. Because they have history. But then
and how about like a hurricane is
all that hurricanes? I don't know. Like last time I checked, Floridian people are doing fine, so it's fine. But anyway, the war is a big problem.
Yeah.
Because you have to look at gold prices, oil prices, and war.
Yes, of course.
'Cause
it's connecting.
All connected.
Yeah.
So war you must check for big shorts. For big shorts. But then that's the funny thing. On April it happened. The war happened and Bitcoin went from 67.8 to 59.6. One day, one night that happened. No, it took like 7 hours. It dropped 8,000 points in a day. And then nothing happened at the stock market on Monday. Because they're just like, oh, okay. And Bitcoin recovered to 66.8 in a day. In 2 days after the drop. Because it wasn't that serious, you know? Yeah. So you gotta look at all these things, like the macro level.
It's like a psychological.
It is. It is. Because it's the what if. That's what kills people. What if this happened? What if that happened? You know? So, what if the war breaks out and the US tax dollars have to go there and then the oil reserves are gonna die? So people are always scared. And people, the funny thing is people think the institutions and whales control everything.
Yeah.
But how many times have you guys seen on the internet hundreds of billions of dollars getting liquidated? Whales get wrecked too, you know? So it is actually an even playing field. The game, it really is.
Yeah.
It really is. That's why I'm doing this thing. Because everybody thinks the word Wall Street or leverage trading or just trading in general is a really smart man's game. It is not. The smarter you are, the worse you get wrecked in this game.
I see.
The biggest losses people take are doctors and lawyers. You want to know why? If you're studying for law, the bar, it's all you have to do is basically. I'm not like downplaying lawyers or anything, but all you guys do is study the whole book and memorize the book. So you guys study the same textbook, same thing, but why are there so many good lawyers and just public defenders? Why? You guys pass the same bar exam.
Make a difference.
They don't know shit about human psychology.
I see.
Like smart lawyers find the stupidest thing and make it my client's good thing. But then these guys are all used to the doctors too, lawyers, and then it boils down to the more they study, the better results they get. So the amount of work they put in, they get results, right? You understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But then the market's not like this. You can study charts all you want. Actually, the more you study, the worse it is. So doctors and lawyers think, okay, like the FVG level. No, dude. People like me are gonna eat off of you. Let's just keep making money, you know?
Okay.
Go get your 30,000 a month salary and give it to me. Because
don't think smart in the book.
It's different because you don't see results in the market. It's all about self-control.
No, the people think.
Yep. And people, even whales, like I just give you the example with the war. It's like FOMO. It's like, oh, what if this happens? And they get scared. They sell their positions. It's just all. It's a really even playing field. It really is.
Always check news.
Even the bots, you can't be scared of the bots because what did I tell you earlier about the bots? They're just eating off the maker-taker fees, right? The maker-taker fees. That's what they're doing. The bots.
The bot. Okay.
Yeah. But then what if a super whale sells? What do you think the bots are gonna do? They're programmed to panic sell. Oh no, my master's gonna lose money. Dude. Everything's human psychology, man. The markets. It really is. And then have you noticed when you're like, it's a really important money, right? Like you have to pay bills. But now you're putting insane pressure on you.
I see. Like very.
So you're
important.
scared. So you're scared. You're like, oh man. Like this. Right?
I see. Can lose.
You already lost because you're scared to lose. You already lost.
Okay.
I'm dead serious.
It's like a gambling.
Yep. You already lost. Then you notice like when you feel good.
As you say, high risk, high return, right?
Yeah, but then when you like feel good, you go on these crazy streaks. Have you noticed that on your trading?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah, of course.
Like when you stop carrying it, you make money, right? Yeah, but then that's the hardest part of the markets. It really is. It's controlling yourself. You're fighting yourself, basically.
Right now.
But then, no. This is why. So I'll explain why trading is so damn hard. Okay. All of us have friends, families, parents, whatever. But then we know their personality. It's like if I say this, I'm gonna get this kind of answer back, and like, or like that guy's a POS. He's a terrible person. Like every time you give that person constructive criticism or whatever the case may be, their first reaction is defensive mechanism. Well, but you did, that's just who they are, right? The markets, you have to fix all of that. You have to fix yourself 100%, no emotion, which is incredibly hard. People can't fix their bad habits and personalities 70, 80, 90 years old. What makes you think you're going to fix everything?
You're gonna say like a emotion make our lose
100%,
right?
100%.
Okay. Because bot always win because no emotion.
Bot doesn't always win. Dude. Bots are programmed to go along with the velocity of the candles.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like they're programmed so like crazy. Like say the market's slow, it takes about an average of 1 hour for like 50 ticks, like this, right? The bots are programmed. For example, if we're on a 1 hour 50 tick, they program the bots where if it goes 50 ticks in 30 minutes, sell it or buy, because then it shows the pressure, how fast it is. Oh, it's breaking out. So the bots are programmed like that. But then what did I tell you? If a whale sells, all that goes out the window. Yeah, bots don't always make money. Bots lose hella money actually. Bots, the big problem with bots.
Bot lose well.
No, the worst thing about bots is they create FOMO, because the bots it's like, oh, it triggered a short order, but then the bot gets stopped out real quick. If the bot gets faked out, and then the big short happens, and then you wake up and see the price, you're like, oh, but then you look at your portfolio, you're like, what? I seen that happen. Yeah. I seen that happen a lot too. So yeah, if you guys have anything to
20 people watching.
Oh yeah. Can you give me a beer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll answer some questions, guys. I know it's all over the place. It's the first day, and then yeah, it's basically like the super basic stuff. But if anyone has like super technical questions, we'll go over it right now on Discord or chat. Let me check chat. Oh, check out. Look out. Yes, let's see. 간다 했냐 안 했냐? If it is double top, you buy it. Why would you buy a double top, bro? Okay, so double top, it basically, this is the top. Double top means we have tried to compromise and penetrate the top wall, but we failed 2 times. So no, you would never ever go long at a double top. Bullish 1.5 in 1 hour. 100. Yeah. Never go 100x. On the heat map, what time span are you interested in? Liquidating significant. So, good question, bro. So on the heat map, if you go on the heat map, if you're trading intraday, you look at 24-hour, 3-day. So it's just like the charts, right? On a lower scale, obviously. So if we're actually trading, we look at like 15. I mean, my style, I'll just say my style. I look at 3, 15, 30. I look at everything, but I like the 3, 15, and 4 hours. That's what I look at. But then that's the intraday, right? So here, there's no such thing. You never look at the intraday here. You only look at daily and up. So we know the trend is going up. So we just look at the heat maps, like where the liquidity zones are above, you know. So like, you check everything, and then it gets weaker and weaker. So, but you have to kind of ignore this because you know it's not gonna get through. So you basically look at 3 days and down on the intraday. If you're a day trader, that is. But then if you're one of those guys that are super patient and do like 3-4x leverage for like months at a time, that's where these guys come in. You know, like these guys literally just hodl. They're holding. Look at this. These guys have been holding since 30. They're still eating. You know, and they still haven't sold. So they're so patient. They still haven't sold. You know, because these are the guys that are waiting for the 80K. You know, 90K, 100K. On the channel, dude, you guys unmute and ask, you guys, please. You guys are muted. I can't read the text on the channel. You guys have to unmute on Discord and start talking. Okay, no questions? Then I'm legit about to wrap it up for now then. Because there's going to be a lot of short snippets and we'll get more people next time. But today's like the basic stuff. I can't really get it. There's so much stuff to learn. I can't get into any technical stuff if you guys don't ask. Because I don't know where to start. It's so all over the place.
Well, how about like a MACD, ISI?
Oh, good question. So you're talking about indicators.
Yeah.
What do you see on this chart? What do you see on this chart?
I see.
Candles, right?
Yeah, candle.
Do you see MACD, RSI? Do you see anything? I turn it all off.
Why?
Lagging indicators. It lag.
Really?
Hell yeah, it lags.
Cut off.
Dude, watch. All this lags. In hindsight, oh, here's the golden cross. Here's what YouTubers do. Oh, death cross, golden cross. It doesn't look like this in real time. It hasn't crossed in real time. So what? Since this is a golden cross, what, you're gonna long now? You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
These are so useless, and the most useless indicator, I swear, is RSI.
ISI.
Yeah, so useless. That's the ultimate ant trap.
Really?
RSI.
It's cut off.
How many times have you seen on people give you signals just for the RSI? The RSI is oversold at the moment, right? But then you check the next day, it's dumping more. And it dumps more. Are you kidding me? How many times have you seen that? No, I'm serious. How many times have you seen that? Due to the RSI says it's overbought, oversold, but it keeps dumping or pumping. You see that a lot, right?
It's not real, right?
No, I mean it's real, but it's lagging. It's not bullshit. It's lagging.
It's lagging.
It's not real life. It's not lifetime.
Yeah. I see.
Yeah, it's a slow indicator.
So you gonna tell me like a fuck off ISI, fuck off MA.
That's me. Again, that's me. You're more than welcome to use it. But last time I checked, so guys, why are you guys here in the first place? Because I'm the first one that opened up all the trade history for, you know. There's one more guy on YouTube that opens up their trade history.
Yeah.
His name is Umar something.
I'm trust.
No. There's Umar. Here, I'll shout him out because he's a cool dude. I have no connections with him, but he's like one of the only traders that I do not have beef with. Umar Trader. I don't even know. Oh, okay. Umar Ashraf.
I've been trading for over.
All he does is order books. Order books. You know what an order book chart is? Order book charts. So basically, what an order book chart is, it tells you how many people bought at. See this. This is an order book chart. That's what an order book chart looks like. That's an order book chart. These are order book charts. But then he has the bar order book charts. I'll show you like the bar ones. Candle. It's like the weird ones. Like it's similar to this.
Yeah, it's very basic.
But then this shows you the velocity of the candles. Like how it's strong. See how it's strong here?
Yeah.
But then I don't like this. I only look at the velocity at the liquidity zones. How do I even turn this off, man? Okay. Like, if you look at the 5 minutes, see the tails. That's basically an order book. It's telling you where the strong orders are. So, isn't it funny, guys, how the only two guys on the whole damn internet that open their trade history don't use any indicators. Don't use any patterns.
don't use.
We don't use none of that crap. He uses only order books. He only looks at the order books, and I only look at the tails.
Ah.
Why are we making so much damn money and you guys are broke? Why?
Okay.
Don't use indicators.
Okay.
That's not factual. You can. You're more than welcome to.
Ah.
You are more than welcome to. But I'm just saying, why is it a coincidence that the two people that actually opened their trade history?
Throw out.
That's for you to decide.
I trust you.
No, that's for you to decide. I'm just showing you because nothing is factual.
I see.
Yeah, nothing is factual. The only things that's factual, it's like women are hella dumb and God, I fear God. Those are like factual. But then like there's nothing truly factual, right? It's like yeah. So like, is there any other questions? The crypto space acts more like it really depends, bro. It's really new. So all the meme coins, right? So here we'll go here. We go here and then see the price, the volume. See, all these are super low volume. These are penny stocks. All of these are penny stocks, and they act like penny stocks. Like it's so incredibly volatile. Like they're crazy volatile. Look at this. Somebody got rugged, bro. Look at this. So these are penny stocks. So these are the penny stocks, and the reason I love Bitcoin doing only Bitcoin is it moves like gold, okay? But gold doesn't move.
Half volume.
No, gold doesn't move.
Gold doesn't move.
It barely moves. That's why. How much leverage do people use on gold? 500, 1,000, 2,000. In crypto, even like 30x, 50x is considered extremely degenerate. Because Bitcoin is basically the digital gold, right?
Digital gold, right?
It moves like gold. It's
Moves like
predictable like gold. But it moves more.
Can predict
So here's the best analogy ever to why Bitcoin is so much more superior than gold if you trade. Gold is like a very slow fighting game, but every punch hurts. Your health bar goes down a lot.
Can
Okay?
predict it like a
No, listen, you gotta let me finish. Gold is like Street Fighter 1. Okay? It's slow. Bitcoin is like Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo. It's quicker.
like multi.
Yeah. It's quicker. You
Like
understand?
2 or 3 times.
No, hella quicker. It's like 10x quicker. So you don't have to do as much leverage. So impatient people like me, it's much more fun because you're leveraging your money into something so boring. So it's kind of like a very competitive, competitive Manny Pacquiao boxing match
I see.
versus some wrestle grapple fest MMA.
It's not your style. It's not your style because boring.
It's hella boring. That doesn't move. That's why people are doing 500, 2000x leverage to get the same results as crypto.
I see.
You only need 15, 20, 30x on Bitcoin to, So that's why. Oh, and guys, yeah, we need to talk about the demo trading tournament.
Do like Fibo.
So then how can we find a solid entry to the candle wicks? Oh, good question. Okay. So look, I stated before that my favorite is, let's go volume. My favorite is the 15M, etc. 15M, 3M. So if you go to the 15M, like it was over here somewhere. It was the craziest like quad bottom ever. Here, that was the big long right here. Right here. These are what I call my favorite things ever. Look how uniform that is on the 15-minute, right? So you don't really go in on the wicks, but then now you have information, right? Like over here, the information. It's like, okay, it failed here, it failed here. That's triple bottom on the 15-minute, right? And then the lower lows, and then
Defender, right?
yeah, you don't really go. So this is when if you're impatient, you can try to gamble here, but it's kind of dangerous because you don't know if we're doing live, right? We're right here. Say we're like right here, whatever. I don't know. Say we're here, and you're watching this live. So you saw this. Okay, it's consolidating, and it goes again lower than this initial.
Lower.
So you don't know yet. You don't have enough information. So you don't go in on the wicks yet. So patience is the part of the game. So you go here, And then we call it the what FVG level. It hit right here, and it fills the gaps real nice like this. See, look how uniform that is. This wick, see the line? It's in line right here. See? It's weird how that works. It's so weird. That's why he makes so much money off of order books. He sees that this whatever this is. Look, you can't make this up. It's like perfect one-liners. You know. So these are the patterns you look for. These are the patterns you look for. So on the wicks, you don't really go here. But then, like, yeah, it keeps failing here. And then this is the last signal. Because this is the velocity candle.
You tell me like a wait and like a we hunt, right?
Yeah, no. I'm saying you have to be patient on these. Because he asked if you trade wicks. You don't trade wicks. You trade the action of the wicks. So, like, if it's crazy like here, you wait for the wicks to close and then enter. That's why the hammers are so great, like this. If you're an intraday trader, that would have been a short, you know. It's just like that's just how it works. So you have to wait for confirmation here, you know. So over here you don't enter at the wicks, but then if you're patient and then it stops again here, then now you're like, okay, 3 times. Let's see one more. Boom. So this is when you're expecting, okay, it might break through, but it still didn't break through. Then usually the long will be like here-ish. You're like, okay, I feel safe going long. I feel safe going long. And then this was actually a giga long. It was like unbelievable long, you know. Like that's why the 15-minute is so dope. You get all the double top, triple tops, all off the 15-minute. Every big move is like off the 15-minute. Every one of them. Every one of them. Like, this was a big move too. Then let's go like shorter. Like hammers. See, and then 3 M's for entry. See, it's like the 3M, right? So you got to zoom out. Load.
Yeah.
Use the wicks as a signal, observe and watch directly. Yes, exactly. When are you entering in a trade? Waiting for correction or entry. You enter on the impulse. You enter on the impulse is too late. That's when we call it. The sharks call it. You guys are trying to catch the bus. It's already heading in the direction, and you're trying to catch a bus. Because the whole point is to eat off the big moves, right, guys? That's where the big money is. Oh, we're at freaking. What is it lagging like this for? We're on the 4-hour. The whole point is to eat off of the big moves. So once the big moves happen and you do it, it actually makes no sense. Oh, I got locked out. I don't know. It's like. Stop loss when you exit following your trade. Okay, it depends on your it depends how comfortable you are. Okay, Chrome's bugging out. Everything else working? Okay. Not a good look, Bybit. No, straight up, you can't filter these things. This is not a good look. It's not a good look. Terrible. When are you entering a trade? Waiting for. Oh, okay, that's that signal. Okay, stop loss. Yeah, the stop loss. It depends on how comfortable you are. If you're using anything above 35x, your stop losses. Then you trade wicks. So these are the confusing things, right? That's when you trade wicks. Why does it say no data here? I think I touched something weird. I think it's on my end. Has to be on my end. I think it's on my end. Let's go to the other one. Oh my gosh, dude. This is the worst thing ever. This is the best chart they have. This is the best. I don't know. The chart's not working. I don't even know where the other charts are on these. Let's go to Binance. Unbelievable. No, we're just not gonna look at chart. Yeah, I can't do it. And then screw it. Yeah, let's make it bigger. Yeah, so basically, we don't really so the stop loss is, it all depends on your comfort zone. So say there's a range, and then you're gonna see charts that look like this. So you're gonna see a range like this, a range like this. So it's always like this, and then it goes like this, like this. So the stop loss should be on the small range, depending on your comfort level. Yeah. Cedric's asking dope questions. You must look at the news. You must look at the news. The main news you look at is anytime Jerome Powell steps on, the podium, it's very important. Okay? He has so much power. Anytime Powell announces something, I personally don't have any positions because I don't know if he's going to be hawkish, And economic factors you look at is always the war. You have to look at the war, and the big one was the FOMC earlier. But you have to look at whenever there's any type of meeting, Fed meeting, which is pretty often, the war. That's only basic stuff I look at because anything crypto related, honestly, retail. We don't have money in retail right now in crypto because every retail crypto trader, they're still stuck in 2011 or 2021. Their bags are still at Ripple $1.20. You guys cannot be saved, so there's no retail money coming in. So basically you just look at just a few factors. Fed meetings, war, that's basically it,
How about we open the heat map and explain?
Yeah, we'll go to the heat map.
Bearish
Yeah, it's better
reversal
than...
or bullish reversal by the heat map.
Okay. Yo, it's my computer. My computer's been hacked.
Oh.
I'm tripping. But yeah, reversals. You can. I mean, that's actually pretty unreliable. You can look at reversal heat maps in the big time frames. The big ones, because these are like strong walls. Yeah, but the intraday, it actually works how it's supposed to work. So the more people that get liquidated, the velocity happens quick. You see over here, the moment they got stopped out, it goes strong, right? And over here, the moment it broke out here, the velocity, because everyone's getting stopped out. So now it's slow. There's nothing to eat. You notice that? Look, there's zero. There's no money to eat now.
No movement.
Yeah, that's why it's slowing. The heat map is such a map hack. Look, it literally just scales, eats everyone alive, and then just chills for a bit. So if we're looking on the week, because you can tell this is a strong point. So you would look for a long anywhere from 62 to 60, 622 to 626. You would. You go opposite. What did I tell you about that interviewer guy? Like, yeah, that's what you do. It's pretty easy. There's so on the big time frame, that's where everyone's dying. I keep mentioning suicide hotlines. When that pops up, it's I'm sorry, but I'm here to take your money. I really am.
For me, I'm rookie. Heat map is very easy.
Very easy.
Easy to understand.
Don't think too much.
Don't think too much.
Don't think too much.
Yeah, good. It's good.
Yeah, you don't have to think too much at all. So let's see other questions. Do you have a limit to when you stop trading for a day? Best question asked all day. Number one, if you say you have $1,000 in your account, I promise this is gonna help so much with your trading. If you have $1,000 in an account, and say you write it down. I'm gonna go in here, and then I'll have the stop loss here, and then you calculate it, right? That's gonna be like $150 loss if you get stopped out. Look yourself in the mirror, okay? And if you ask yourself, I don't care, I lost this $150 today, okay? If you tell yourself that and believe it, and you do lose $150, right? Go back to the mirror and ask yourself. Don't lie to yourself. This is the hardest part of trading and hardest part of life. Not lying to yourself. Okay? That's why I don't trust any rapper that says they're real. I'm real. You're not real. You're saying it. You're insecure. Anyway, go to the mirror. truly ask yourself with that line, do you really care about the $150 that you just lost? If the answer is an easy no, remember I asked you in the car? 1 second. Easy answer, no. Then you're allowed to trade again, and I guarantee it's gonna go good. Because you're so confident, and you're unfazed. Even if, but if you do lose that trade again, my rule is 2 losses in a row. So 1 large loss, I don't even look at charts for like a week. If you take 1 small loss, get stopped out, and if you truly don't care, sure, you can trade again, but let's not. That's when I stop trading. But then, and the opposite, if you're winning, you like 6 trades in a row winning, but then the moment you feel like you've dominated the markets, that's when you stop. Because there's a difference between confidence and arrogance.
I see.
Okay?
I see.
Extremely thin line. Extremely thin. Confidence and arrogance is extremely thin.
I see.
Right? But then being emotionless in trading and reckless, very thin line also. Because the moment you're confident, you become reckless. So that's when you stop trading. The moment you feel like I can make this into a living, actually stop. And then if you like take 2 losses in a row, you should stop. That's when you stop trading in a day.
But it's hard. It's
Yeah,
hard to,
that's the hardest part. Controlling yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite literally the hardest part. Just controlling yourself. Dude, this stream is so all over the place. I promise it'll be more professional tomorrow, guys. Like, this is Asia time, so we'll have this is extremely unprofessional, but it is my first time doing it, and I'm doing it purely out of love for you guys. I promise you. So don't get too mad.
How can we write the resistance line or defender line?
You can draw that. That's not bad. Because you know how I feel about lines, like the weird lines. But if you can't see it just by like doing your cursor, that's not a bad idea at all. Just you can draw resistance lines, but don't draw these weird flag patterns and shit. I'm not gonna talk to you. I mean, bro, how more detail can I give with a heat map? I mean, if you're a patient trader, just have a huge long here, okay? Because it will deflect here, If you're a patient trader, it will deflect the strong levels. Or if you're super patient right here, 57, just put a long order and just wait,
In my experience, super patient is always good.
Super patient is good, but
But it's hard.
it's hard.
to do.
It's the hard part. Can you walk me through your daily routine before and after market hours? Here, yes I can. You wake up, obviously you look at charts, okay? But then the first thing I do in the morning is look at charts, or the price per se. And then I see the charts. I'm like, oh man, this is a long or a short. But you should not take that trade. You're not in the right state of mind. Because the moment people wake up, everybody has rituals and everybody has a certain time it takes for you to be 100%. Like for example, some people have to take a shower, some people have to go to the bathroom. Some people have to get coffee first to feel normal.
Live your life.
You must get into your routine first. So I like to go to the gym first, and then like when my heart rate is up and I look at the charts, that's when it's most clear.
Yes. Ready.
Yeah, that's when it's most clear. You know why? Because blood flow is what heals everything, right? So if you have bruises and you have good blood flow, the bruise is gonna heal quick. It really is. Anything related to blood, that's what blood does. The reason you feel sleepy after you eat, because all the blood goes to your stomach to start digesting food. That's why a lot of blood rushes from your head to the stomach. That's why you feel sleepy. It's science. So you want good blood. That's my routine. I like to work out, get the heart rate up, and then look at the charts. And then after the shower, it's really game over because I take super cool showers.
Because the endorphin, right?
Oh no, it's just clear-minded, man.
Yeah.
Just clear-minded, and never trade drunk. Ever?
Of course.
Never ever
Of
trade drunk.
course.
My biggest losses in my life were all drunk. Because why? Recklessness and arrogance.
I think like more than 50%.
Yeah, guys. Hold on. But yeah, I'll just answer you guys this question because I'm really sorry about the thing. But I'll actually stream again real soon. We're talking like 3-4. I have everything set up now. So I actually have to start announcing like the demo trade tournaments and stuff. Yeah, crypto's 24/7, so I can't really speak on you guys that trade like options and stuff because that's why I quit. Let me actually show you guys. So it becomes so terrible. I'm laying down in bed, right, trying to sleep, but I'm sleeping like this. So my wrist is like this. And low key, I understand the phone's not heavy, right? But then if you're looking at the charts like this till 5 a.m., I developed such bad carpal tunnel on both wrists. Like I have a hard time texting because
you addict, right?
yeah, and no, it's carpal tunnel. It's it's the same thing pro gamers retire.
Yeah.
Because the mouse is the way the wrist is. So it's getting bad. I can't really text well on the phone anymore. That's why I quit trading.
Yeah, I know.
And I have one more marathon left, and then I'm gonna really call it quits.
Don't be addict, right?
Yeah, I mean, being an addict is okay. Because to be good at something, you have to let the thing consume you. You can't work around it. Yeah, you can't work around it. If you're trying to lose weight, how dare you say, okay, I have time for a chicken breast? No. Your whole life revolves around losing weight, right?
I see.
Right?
But alas,
No. You have to let it. I can. Here, I'll show you guys on stream. Look. Right? I'll give you real examples. Look at this loose skin.
Shit.
Come on, man.
Shit.
What is this?
Shit.
Come on. Oh, you gotta let it consume you, bro. Oh, we're talking. This is why I absolutely cannot handle shortcuts excuses. It's like I did everything. Like,
okay.
How tall am I? 5'8.3" when I wake up. 5'8.7" when I wake up, and then 5'8.3" at nighttime. It's like shorter.
Nowadays,
I weighed 314 pounds. Look.
Nowadays you go gym every day.
Every day, look at the skin.
Yes.
Look. So, you think I fucking had time to just...
Yes.
Today I'll go to... Nah, bro.
So fresh.
I lost this in 10 months. Like, I went from 314 to 189. Less than a year. Nobody playing no games, right? Like, if you want the markets, you have to be in tune with the markets. The market is the king.
Focus.
The markets are the king. You know why they're the king? There's billions of people and millions trading, right? And it's weird because it's always like 50-50 long versus short. So you do have 50 people on your side. But then you want the other 50%'s money. Of course you have to be in the war zone at all times. If you're doing high leverage. If you're doing safe, like anything under, 8x leverage, you don't have to be in the markets all day. You're stupid if you look at the charts all day and doing low leverage. Just set alarms and do your thing.
Do 100%.
But that's the hard part too.
Very hard.
See?
Yeah.
This is why trading is so hard. It's all about crazy discipline,
I see.
Position size. Hold on. Oh, that's actually a really okay. Yo, Saudi. So basically, your personality reflects on your trading style. I just told you guys I like high leverage and I like shorts because I'm impatient. And there's a lot of traders that go HODL long term. They really don't look at the charts. They're like, oh, I'm up 80% for the year. So I really honestly cannot tell you on position sizes. I'm pretty degenerate, so if I have like $30,000 in the account, I go like 40% as an entry, if I like the entry. And if it goes the same way, I add positions. So there's like no answer to this. Regarding position size and leverage, it should be depending on your personality. There's no clear-cut answer to this at all. Okay, I thought a lot of people on Discord were gonna like call and ask. But then if that's not the case, let me just explain how the demo trading competition is going to work. Number one, as you guys can see on the banner over here, number one, I never sold a code in my life. Okay. Why this is here is because I've been trying to host a demo trading competition to make great traders. Okay. I can teach you because no one's asking like questions on like Discord chat or anything. So like I can't really do much right now in answering like super technical questions. But what I'm trying to do is like create a team of good traders, because I believe the new money keeps getting screwed, stopped at by the old money. Old money means like people like Warren Buffett, right? Would you guys rather watch the WNBA or the NBA finals? You know, would you guys rather watch like pure like wrestling, just like, or like a crazy freaking Conor fight in his prime? You know, that's the difference. It's like the more competitive it is more fun, because number one, it's more competitive. The markets are healthier because new money doesn't get stopped out by scammers, you know, shillers, whatnot. And if you guys have an edge, not an edge, but if you guys actually know what's going on and become better, overall volume increases, which is healthier for everybody. Everybody's more happy if there's more volume, you know? So that's like the main point I'm doing this. As time passes, I have like a 30-year goal set up, but for now, it's to make everybody better traders for free. So what this code is so whoever has Bybit, just sign up. You don't have to verify. I mean, I suggest you verify because you have to verify for you to receive funds. But I got chosen as team captain in the Asia region. I think there's 78 of us, so I'm one of them. Yeah, so my manager texted me saying you're part of a team captain, and you could be a college student, university, like as long as you're over age and not in a restricted area. Just get Bybit. I'll leave Discord and all the stuff, and there's all the information is on the Discord. Discord's messy too because all of this was like super compulsive. Like something happened. Like, oh, I wanna help people. So that's what happened. So I set up my own little demo trading competition. You guys can enter, and then we'll talk on Discord. Set up the rules because I have the channel set up for everything. As for like Forex and whatever that is, I think it's Forex and Nasdaq or something. There's 3 categories, but you guys leave me what platform you guys want to use to trade, and I'll leave the rules. And as for like the crypto, if you guys are not in a restricted country, I'll also leave the rules there. But it's gonna be something like start with $100. I'll give you a week, and well, I'll tally the P&L because you can't lie to me. I'm gonna tell you to show me the trade history, and then I'll tell you the rules of it. And then verify. I'll give you I'll match the USDT. I'll give you my own money. I'll match it, put it into your account. And then this tournament, I'm the captain, and this is the last time I'm gonna trade. At Halloween, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna drink hella with you guys on stream, and by then the stream should be large. Like timestamp this, and then I'm gonna drink with you guys on Halloween day, like the 30th in the West. And I'm very confident we're gonna get top whatever, and that's the prize pool. So imagine the coolest thing. A cool, enthusiastic university student saw my stream just to learn. He got not free, he earned it because his skill level is there. I give him like $200-300, and I give him a spot to my tournament, and then we get first place. An enthusiastic person. I just created a trader that had nothing, and I didn't make him shit. He made $20,000, and now I don't care if he pays his bills with it, pay tuition. That's great. I'm so happy if you do that. Or you just stay in the market and just start, eating. You become a shark. That'll make me incredibly happy. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So just join the Discord. I'll leave the rules. Don't get it twisted. I'll open it right now if you guys want to see. But I think I made $55 off of codes in my entire life of trading in 4 years. So I don't like selling shit. Do you have a limit on how many your team should be? Nope. And so that's another cool thing, right? So say we get first place, because if Ricky Bobby, if you're first and you last, we get first place. The prize money's like $800,000 million. So the captain, I get 20%. I got chosen as captain, and then the other top 10% share 30% of the profits evenly. So 9 people share 30% each, and then rest of the team members, they share the 50% evenly. Okay, so if I have like a 1,000 people, and you guys just make one trade, plus 2% P&L, it actually tallies it all up. So if there's 1,000 of us and everybody does 10%, we're at plus 10,000% P&L. Okay, and then there's a separate individual one, like whales like me that, they're gonna tally straight up how much money you won. That's like the money P&L. That's individual though. But the team tournament's the big one where they add up the members. So the more the merrier. But I don't really, Yeah, if you're in the US, you cannot, unfortunately. But hey, Cedric, you're asking really great questions. Hey, if you're in the Discord, even if it's by yourself, Cedric, and you give me no puts, options, calls, none of that crap. That's pure gambling. You guys can't even make money off of leverage. I'm not being offensive, but I'm just like talking to the general public. You guys can't even make money properly off of leverage. Why are you doing options and puts? You're predicting a long or short and the price point at a certain time. Are you kidding me? Even I can't do that. No one can do that. Pure gambling. Don't do that. So margin trading, just give me a commodity. Cedric, if you're into Forex, you can do Forex, and then give me a platform, and then I'll actually mentor you in Discord, because right now I have not a lot of time, but I have some time in the month, like starting now to like October 8th. I have some time, so I'll actually mentor you, and if I see that you're willing to learn, Cedric, and you're getting better, I'll shoot you USDT. Just make a wallet. You don't have to sign up for Bybit nothing. I'll shoot you USDT. Do whatever you want with that money, but if you get to the level where I'm sending you money, I trust you've become better as a trader. So, just do your thing, okay? Okay, you're 44. All right, cool. Yeah, so, yeah, you guys, I'll just make some shorts out of this for now, because it is the first time. I'm so limited on what I can do, because this is super messy. But, yeah,
Why don't we try to sign again?
No, but then they're gonna see it's like, all right, let's try sign again. But what about That's weird. I think I need to restart the computer.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
shut up. Shut up. Oh yeah, we're back. Yeah, okay. Wick, yeah. No. Wick, are you whatchamacallit on Reddit? You are, right? No, I got you guys. Seriously. And there's a lot of other people that I'm speaking to, but the time zone's so wacky, and then this is like the first stream, so it's incredibly messy. But I did jot down the stream schedule on the Discord. Okay, so no vampire, no, we'll all talk on Discord. We'll all clean up the Discord together, and we'll actually set this up properly, because right now it is incredibly messy, and I don't have exchange backing or anything, and this is it's not even a tournament at this point. It's just me straight up trying to build good traders, because there's not 200 of you guys joining, and it's like, oh, top 10, just off of demo trade. I'll give you the rules. If you're good to go, yeah, I'll help you guys trade, give money. So yeah, I think we can just chill for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, but it's the time zone. No, because my audience is American, and right now it's peak work time for Americans.
I see. Daytime.
And the funny thing is, everyone's are introverts. No one talks. The first day on Discord, no one's talking. So it's hey,
First time.
Can you guys talk to someone? And then I think it was Vampire. I'm an introvert, and then everyone started saying, yeah, me too. I'm an introvert. That's true. It's the funniest thing ever. Okay, yeah, right. So
Yeah, bro. I mean,
yeah, oh
that's
yeah,
just
talk
it.
talk.
You meet us on the internet, so like, you already know what's up.
Right?
Yeah, oh, what's up?
But oh, nothing, brother. Just wanted to say hey, and I'm enjoying the stream so far, man.
Dude, I'm so
I'm
incredibly
already
sorry
learning
it's
a
so
lot.
messy, man. It's so messy right now, dude. But I'll clean it up because you understand how much I rushed to do this thing, right? So it doesn't look too
No,
good
man,
on
it's
my
actually-
end,
it's
but
actually looking
it
pretty
was
good.
so rushed. Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's
Yeah.
all good.
Do you have any questions?
Just happy
You
to
can
be
ask
here.
personal questions too.
No. I was just writing in Discord about Bybit.
Yeah.
It's kind of unfortunate that I can't use it, but I'm gonna make an effort anyway to get an account created. And but yeah,
It doesn't have to
you
be
know, don't worry
Bybit. It's
about
just the
me.
tournament's a cool thing they're running right now, and I think it's my last hurrah. I don't know about next year, but right now I really have bad carpal tunnel. It's actually terrible, so I can't trade anymore on that level. So I haven't been trading since early August. The reason being, here's how transparent I am. Check the stream real quick. So I go on these uber crazy win streaks, right? But then. And even June was nuts. June was just nuts. But then after 4th of July, something happened. I'm making these stupid mistakes I never would. And then I'm getting incredibly stressed. And I developed gastritis. So I was throwing up after every meal. That level of stress. And then I'm like, why am I stressed so much? You know, I'm stable financially, I think. And then, but yeah, I'm getting so much stress and my wrist is hurting. And then the final straw was, the big long was there, but then I'm just so frustrated at myself. I lost $6,600 on that trade. That's when I knew it was like, okay, it's time to take a huge break. So I withdrew all the rest of my money I had. Then I haven't traded since. So that's why there's like no money in this account. But then when the right before the tournament starts, I'll put a pretty good amount in to carry the team, because if you guys are a part of it, you know. I think it'll be fun. Like, we're just doing this. It's like doing a World of Warcraft raid, right? With trading, super fun. But it's
That's
unfortunate.
crazy. I'm in a guild.
Damn. But then, yeah, like we're gonna be on Discord, and I'll mute Discord, and I'll live stream everything. If you want to copy, you can. Talk crap, you can. Just listen to music, talk about rap, MMA, boxing, while trading. You know, it's like, it sounds super fun. So that's what I want to do with like new community, because all you guys are here to just have fun and learn. But this learning is such a self-discipline, honestly. Like, there are super technical stuff that I can't teach, but no one's really asking. But I'm pretty sure after I make some shorts, I'm gonna make a lot of shorts of this, because I haven't even went into the fear and greed part yet. It's like there's so much stuff to cover. So today, let's just call it like a test run, okay? So like the next
Got you,
one,
bro. All
after we
sounds
do,
good,
I'll
man.
actually have like not a script, brother, but actually explain without drinking. Like, here's what you should do when you first do, because you guys are asking great questions, but it's kind of all over the place, and I'm low key perfectionist. I don't like this at all. So I'm actually thinking of not even leaving the stream open, like making it private. That's where I am. That's where I stand right now. I'll ask you guys on Discord, but I'm extremely unsatisfied right now. But yeah, that's the trading competition is a way of, like, I guess, giving back to you guys, because I'm done trading for a long time after this tournament. But as for you, what do you usually trade? Like gold or Nasdaq, SPY, Bitcoin? Do you do crypto? Like, what do you usually trade, Vampire?
Usually trade crypto.
Yeah.
Damn, I really wish you could join us. Oh, that's, gosh.
80%.
Me too, regardless.
Yeah, that
of
sounds
the
so
trade,
fun,
but
doesn't it? Like, we're in different time
It
zones
does, man,
too.
it does.
So I can straight up be like, yo, Vamp, yo, can you watch for these levels and just call me on Discord, and I can actually sleep.
Yeah.
There's no better alarm than a Discord call, you know? Yo, wake up, fool!
I'll still do it, brother. I'll still do it for you.
No, we'll talk separate. We'll try to work something out. But that's what I want to do. Like, just because, you know what I'm trying to do, right? I'm trying to prove that you guys can't take down the whales. Imagine if a new community, people willing to learn, get first place in a world-class tournament. it's over. I will come after every scam influencer. That's like the biggest weapon ever, right? That'll go viral. And then all the proceeds that happen in the tournament and stuff, like I already have it mapped out. 20%, I'll return it to you guys and like host more demo tournaments. Like actually host them. Like 50% I'll give to the poor. 30% I actually have to spend it on like socials like crazy. Discord, Nitro, freaking Twitter. Twitter charged me $100 for a freaking year.
Twitter.
I'm not on. Dude, it's not this. It's like everything's
Why?
money. I'm paying like almost $1,500 a month on just socials now.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Everything premium. YouTube premium, Discord Nitro, Twitter crap, TikTok. I don't even use TikTok. I don't know why I pay for it. Like all this
No,
crap.
no,
Instagram, like Facebook. Dude,
No.
all this shit's money.
No OnlyFans, right?
OnlyFans? No. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stay OnlyFans. Who's gonna pay to watch me on OnlyFans? Yeah, any more questions, brother? Like, trade rate. Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, I got you. Now, we'll go over the rules on Discord. I'll leave it in the description, I guess, but this is incredibly messy. I'm very unhappy. But, yeah, should we, I don't know, if nobody has questions, should wrap it up. If no one has questions, you can AMA anything.
For me?
Yeah, you could ask me anything. Just chat for a little bit. You know, the funny thing is, because in like an hour or two, Americans are going to wake up.
Work time.
No, just work time? You think traders work normal jobs?
I see.
Are you kidding me right now?
I see.
Traders are not normal people. Okay? Yo, none of you are normal. None of you guys are normal.
Sleep time, right?
Mm-hmm.
I do have a question, if that's cool.
Yes. Of course.
Like I said, I usually trade stocks, but since you guys are talking about Bitcoin, I would say like 2 years ago, I got into all this because I was interested in Bitcoin and all that stuff.
Yes.
My brother, he mined Bitcoin back in the day, etc. And so it was just so much volatility. It was just I didn't have any guidance.
Yeah.
I decided to just say, fuck it, let me just see YouTube video it, just learn some stuff. Me and my girl, we made like lost change on it because we were too scared to go crazy on it.
Yeah.
It was more so percentage gains and losses that we were looking at. And since then we stopped. I came back into stocks this year. I'm just curious, like, do you think it's even worth it for me to even kind of get on the same page as you guys and look into Bitcoin, or should I just stick with the stocks?
Okay, number one thing that you mentioned during your question was you and your lady, you guys look at the percent, right? So
Yeah.
let's go over this first. ROI is the most important. Okay? If you understand emotions does not equal dollar amounts, you're gonna be incredibly successful. I'll leave that out there right now. You can start trading with $20, but if you're consistently making 10%, 20% ROI, don't look at it because that's the crazy trap of trading, right? Your bankroll is small and that $1, $2 in your brain already, that's where you're failing. Oh, that's just the Mountain Dew. It's not, brother. It's 20%, you know? But anyway, that's a whole different thing. Now, the good thing you mentioned here is extremely volatile. In 2020, what happened? COVID happened, right? COVID happened. What were people taught to do? Consume and invest. That was what was taught to the general masses. Okay, this is incredibly important. Consume and invest is what the general masses have done during the lockdown periods, right? So that's why, number one, right now it's meme coin season, the Solana chain. Meme coins are the penny stocks right now, okay? Back then it's alt season. XRP, all this crap is just pumping, and it's extremely volatile. Doge, oh my, I'm about to throw up thinking about that crap, but right now why I'm shilling Bitcoin is so easy, whatnot, is what happened this year. The ETFs happened, right? The moment the ETFs happened, Bitcoin went from extremely volatile, speculative, is this gonna work? Elon's, all this negativity, all went out the window because now there's no more retail money, like I said, because every retail got screwed like you guys did, and you guys aren't returning. You said it yourself. You and your lady have decided this is too volatile, so I'm leaving the space. That's 90% of retail right now. You go on crypto Reddit or any Reddit page, it's all dead. The subs are all dead, okay? Why I say crypto is good is because Bitcoin moves just like the NASDAQ and gold, aka the most most solidified things after the ETFs have launched. And then the heat map I just showed you. So I only trade Bitcoin. Okay? Like, crypto is dangerous still. But Bitcoin, just Bitcoin, it moves just like gold, brother. Gold and NASDAQ. So it's macro. Okay? So you can look at the macro factors on the economic whatever. You can look at the news. So anything on the macro scale, it applies to Bitcoin, but it moves a little bit quicker. That's why I only stick with Bitcoin. And there's so much resources, you know, and fortunately for people that know what they're doing, there still are people that, you know, have that mentality of penny stocks and meme and altcoins that are investing in Bitcoin. So it's just extremely easy to eat off of. So if you and your lady have a negative thing about crypto, just look at Bitcoin. Because honestly, I'm extremely unhappy about crypto also. And the one thing about stocks, right? Here's the funny thing about stocks. What I don't like about stocks. So if I were to trade stocks, I would either trade SPY or NASDAQ composite, like something that are macro. Because one company, now that's volatile. If Nvidia or, you know, if something happens to the chips and we all find out AI is a bubble, what do you think is going to happen to Nvidia? You know, and then Intel just announces like quarterly reports. We signed like billion-dollar contracts. You don't know when that news is going to come out. It's just going to bull. It's like individual stocks are actually more volatile, in my opinion, than Bitcoin because you don't know what's going to happen. You know, like you honestly don't know what's going to happen.
And LFGS stock.
That's why. That's the reason I'm telling people like I only been doing Bitcoin and stocks are like I don't know what you're doing on stocks, but like individual like factors. I don't know.
I used to trade US stock. I must to follow the news every day.
That's the thing about stocks. You have to follow the hella news. Like, and then if you're trading in like the biggest stocks that have the most potential for growth, like explosive like growth, it's like
it's depend on news.
No, the R&D stocks.
Yeah.
The R&D stocks are nuts, especially in the medical field, right? Like, say you actually found medicine that grows your hair and it's proven, or actually increases your penis size. Actually, and it's proven. I'm not gay for looking at the before and after photos, okay? Because I want to see if it works, right? That's volatility right there to me. So, yeah, so that's why I stay away from stocks and only Bitcoin. I don't do anything else but Bitcoin at the moment. Yeah, great question though. Questions?
I love US stock, but Bitcoin better.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin better.
It's just there's too much resources in Bitcoin right now.
Government okay.
Yeah.
Very safe.
Yeah.
Very safe.
Shut up.
So would
Hey,
you
you know what's
say, like,
funny?
it's
Hey, guys, you know what's
Parva?
funny? Lutz saying it's safe, but this fool got liquidated like hella hard. Like, can you tell chat how much you got like your life savings, right?
Yeah.
He got his life savings liquidated. Now he's like, ah, shit. Come on, you'll make a comeback though.
Yeah.
That's so bad, dude. You got liquidated so. He fell asleep and got liquidated.
I hate the future.
Oh my
I hate
god,
future.
it's the worst.
I hate future trading.
But he has the greatest trader mentality ever. He got liquidated his life savings after sleeping, but then his attitude was, "It happened. I can't change the past." Right? So happy. Look how happy he is.
I'm broke, man.
He's like, I'm just broke. There's a lot of broke people. Whatever. Like,
I mean, if he made it once, he'll make it again.
yeah. Yeah.
That's the way I look at it. Like, unless you're handed everything, like if you earned what you have in your possession, like even if you lose it, you'll make it back again.
You will.
You got the skills.
Yes. Thank you. You will. You definitely will. 100%. That I actually promise you. If you believe you're gonna make it back, you're gonna make it back. Okay. These are just facts. These are facts. I'm gonna pull my trade history and show you guys like why I quit trading. Like seriously. Like where's that? Where do I go? It's like
And how about other coins? Do you like?
I like there's a lot of coins I do like.
You like only Bitcoin or?
I only, well, if I want to safely make money, I only do Bitcoin.
For me, for this period, I like Solana and XRP.
Yeah. So look, I'll show you guys why I quit trading, right? So here we are. Like this is actually a bad chart.
Meme coin.
Huh?
Meme coin.
Yeah, let's actually go to the meme coins first. I'll show you guys. Oh, here. This is the first stream. I'll give you guys another secret, bro. Like this is the. You can make so much money off of meme coins. I'm actually excited to show you. Look. So you look at all these. Watch this. So if there's a new listing on this, right? They post it. So hey, I'm giving you guys a hack. You can actually eat hella off of meme coins. So there's this place called New Coins, right? Look. So there's hot, new. We go new, and then so these are new. So they're low volume, right? So obviously they're penny stocks, right? Except for these huge ones, like whatever. What is this hamster? 383. Holy shit. Anyway, yeah. So we go to like hamster. Look at this shit. Look at this. So I don't even know what to say to this. Oh my god. So
it's like a poker. It's like a poker.
Yo, this is so bad. This is why I hate crypto. The meme stock. Look at this. As soon as it opens, dump it. And you know these are the devs doing it, right? Look, this is artificial pumps, right? Look at this. It died. It's so bad. So this is actually a bad example, but how you eat off of this is you see HMSTR USDT, right?
On BNB.
Hamster token. So you actually go here because it's listed not too long ago, but I'm pretty sure it was around longer. So you just go to like CoinGecko, right, and see the historical charts. See how it's been going up, you guys? You see it? Hey, see, okay. Here's the secret to meme coin. Bananas, freaking making hella money. On the leverage exchanges, the moment it's listed, it dumped, right? But before it's listed, they pump it. Why do you think that is?
Maker.
Exactly. These guys are so ruthless. They pump it enough, or the exchanges take the money. No, not take the money, but they're like, all right, you guys are a healthy market. Okay, I see you. You guys got volume. And then the moment it's listed on the leverage exchange, crap coins like this.
Then listed.
Then they dump on you, dude.
Suddenly. Okay.
This is when you big short. If you see a suspicious coin like this, and it's like, you have to be quick though, right? So you actually have to be quick. You have to have it on like the 1 minute chart, and then they actually like Bybit and these guys
The
like, hey,
maker.
so yeah, see look, see this look, hey, 100 hamster. So they start promoting the coin. No, they start promoting the coin.
Yeah.
It's about to go. Like, oh, if it's big enough to be listed on the leverage
First come,
exchange,
first serve.
exactly. Guess what happened? You all got dumped. Big short. I cannot believe how big of a short this. That actually made me laugh so much. Look at this short, dude. That's crazy. Dude, look at this. Look at this bar, bro. You can't even see the top of it.
Maker.
That's how you make money off of alts.
Okay.
So that's a good reference point.
Let's make our meme coin.
That's scamming. People like that are what I'm trying to clean up. People like you. Just because you got liquidated. It's really, you know? So yeah, that's how you make money off of things. But then if you guys look here.
Meme coin is made for maker rich. Right?
So like, this is not the best chart, but then like I was absolutely wrecking havoc. You see 192, and then when I lose 500. Small losses, okay, 7-7, win. You know, like great wins. And it's like great wins. 50. When I lose, it's like this is average. This should be the norm for me. 300, then lose, but then 1,000, 10,000. Look at these win streaks, nutty, right? What is this crap? This is I'm opening. Look. When I lose small. When I win, I murder fools like this. You know, like ruthless. But then here's what happened. Look. So I'm just like feeling good, 4th of July or whatever. I told you, because I have photogenic memory. After 4th of July, something happened. Boom, look at these. I'm still killing it, look. I'm still murking it. But then this happened. 10 rack loss. This should not have happened.
You open long only.
Yeah, only long, because
your
I'm
style.
stubborn. Remember, it's stubborn. I like to go opposite. Because this was definitely a short trend
Okay.
in July.
It's July.
That's when people were looking for the 49. This never happens ever, ever. I was sober when this happened. This to me makes no sense. Look at this. This, along with the carpal tunnel, is the first catalyst that told me, yo, you need to stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
For why?
No, forever. But then the tournament came out. I got invited to be captain, so I'm like, fuck.
Okay.
So
okay.
tournament's the last.
You're
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah. I mean, it's not my duty, but it sounds super fun, you know? So that's what happened. That's why I quit training us. And yeah, like, you know, like my trading sizes, 6-7 BTC at a time. So like, you can tell like what the sizes are, right? It's like a 30, 40,000, whatever. But then, yeah, that's like as farthest it goes for Bitcoin. But then, if you look at, yeah, because I've been getting wrecked so hard on Bitcoin. Those losses should never have happened, ever. You know, that's when I knew I should have quit. How do I see an actual like? Is it this? Please well, furthest possible. So this I'm just showing you guys to show see, these losses shouldn't have happened, because look at the win loss, right? And this is 6 months. Like, for me, I'm incredibly consistent. I've never had a month span of less than 62% in my entire, since 2021.
Really?
Yeah. So for 3.5 years, I've never went under 62% ever in a month, ever. But then in August, it hit under 62. Well, in July.
What happened?
Carpal tunnel, and just like you said, an addict, fucking addict shit.
Okay.
I'm taking reckless trades because look at this should not have happened. How is it even in the red? You know.
Okay, I see.
And then, but anyway, like, watch. I'll show you guys like the crazy streaks, right? So this is like previous. I'm actually starting to lose. That's why I quit. This is why I quit trading. And then we go back a little bit, right? Now look, this is normal for me. Now watch. Here's where we go normal. Why is it all BTC? See, look, anything you see, so like, look at it. We start here. This is like any coin, whatever the coin is. Meme coin. Look at this, and look at the result. No, and then look at the results, because this is like in a car when Bitcoin's slow. So imagine if you just do it on your phone. This is like on the phone with these win streaks. These add up. I don't care if my bank account says 2 million, 10 million. This is, I'm doing like,
For fun.
no, it's not. Yeah, it's fun because I'm making money. But then look, $14, I take it serious. $4, even $4. But then in the middle, you have like these things. It adds up. It hella adds up. Like, it hella adds up. And then if you start going on like streaks, watch.
Meme coin.
It's gotta open them. I was like,
I got this.
you don't see much losses. Like, but then losses happen, sure. But then like, who wins? Look at this shit.
Yeah.
I'm showing you guys, right? People don't believe these like 90% win streaks. It's, look at this shit. I'm surprised.
Shit.
You don't see a single loss on this streak. I know it's small money, 60, 70, 90, 100. You know, but that's not the point here. It's like in the middle. There's large ones in the middle. Like, look at 10,000 in the middle, out of nowhere. You see what I'm talking about? Like,
Your record is so good.
it's like no losses. Look, open. So look at this shit. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. You know, sure that $2,000's bad. Then like,
Shit.
ain't
Your
no.
record is so good.
And it's long, short, every fucking weird ass coins. You know, like penny stocks. It doesn't matter what it is. If the opportunity presents, you're gonna eat off of it, you know. And then it's like losses happen, whatever. But then like this is like mechanics, like the super small ones you see.
How do you?
But then these are like super small ones.
The coin.
Huh?
How do you pick up the coin?
No, I'm
Choose.
this is like pure boredom. Like so I have a friend named ATK. And he's like, ATA. Oh, sure, I'll do that. Like, literally, like that.
Really?
Dude, I told you a chimpanzee can trade better than people.
Yeah.
I told you.
You don't you don't follow the news?
Hell no. Dude, what kind of news would a power coin have? A Mobile Suit Gundam coin have? What kind of news possibly could a Gundam coin have? You know? Like, I don't know. So that's what it is. Like, open up. Because look, this is unacceptable. Right here. This I've never had this happen. Because, you know, I told you that it's a graph. Everything's a graph. And I told you the top, they consolidate.
Yeah. It's
Unacceptable.
Everything is up and down.
No, this is mad unacceptable. So, and I'm getting injured. Because look, I'm not going up anymore. You guys see this chart? I'm not going up anymore. It's like,
yeah.
but then I'm smart enough to quit here.
Okay.
You know? Because I know I'm fatigued now. So I need a little break. That's why I'm so confident I'm going to get first at that tournament. Because every signal I've been giving you guys for the past 2 weeks, pinpoint accurate, right? Pinpoint accuracy. Not it's gonna reach here. No. It's gonna go here, then deflect, and then go there. That level of pinpoint. So that's what we're aiming at. And like
If your trade is down, quit for a while, right?
See. So like, even if it's 64, this is like 6 months. It's still should not be like this. Like, that like, it was bad. The last few months were bad. Or the July was terrible. July was terrible. Because it was bad. Let's just say it was bad.
Because it's market or because of you.
Me.
Yeah.
Market is never wrong. It's always you.
Yeah.
It's just like people when they get into arguments. Have you noticed if you just tone it down one notch?
Like you must
Right?
have the time to clear your
Yeah,
mind, right?
yeah, but then like if you and your friend or girlfriend right now, it's like whatever, you guys are fighting. Have you noticed if you just say, okay, you put the blame on yourself, it just ends up so much better, right? So if I'm over here blaming whatever, I'm not improving as a trader or a person, you know? But then I realized this was unacceptable. Like, what is this? Oh, this actually skews the thing because what happened here is, so after the big losses happened, right? Like this one, because this was super unacceptable for me. These two in a row, and these were just like whatever. And then that's another red flag because this was supposed to be like catalyst to coming back. But then I'm extremely tilted over this.
Okay.
I'm extremely tilted over this. So
Big mistake.
so look what happens, and then I actually take out all my money around here somewhere because you never see these $4. Because then now I'm in my mind. Okay, I got $10 left. If I can't flip this $10 into 100, I'm out. And then this happened, so I literally took out just everything. It's just I haven't traded since.
But I think that you're gonna be.
I mean this skews the win loss percent, but that's irrelevant. Only thing that matters at the end of the day is money.
Teach me how about like how to cut loss. How to cut loss.
Well, dude, I just told you it's your risk management. How much are you willing to risk?
It depends on risk management. Right?
100%. 100%.
High risk, high return.
Oh, where's my iPad? Look, can you get the iPad? See, we went from this, guys, like just havoc, like killing the market, to being timid. It's unacceptable, you know. And but yeah, that's why I quit trading, basically. And then I have 2 accounts. That's 180 days. That's 180 days. See, look. That's for the year. Yeah, see, look. 8 trade, 88%. You know, 2 accounts. You know why we need 2 accounts, right? You refer yourself.
Yeah.
He's just being super transparent. Look, this is supposed to be normal. This is earlier in the year. Look, I don't know. Are you see it on the stream? Oh no, we'll make the camera bigger.
Yeah.
So this is normal. So it doesn't even go. Okay. So 6 racks. This shouldn't even count as a loss. $8. So the first trade we make 6 racks, lose $8. 1,000, 9,000, 3,000, 500, 800. And look, just 8 trades, 88%. And then I move on to that other account. You know, just transparent. That's why people mess with me. Who gonna open their whole shit? You know,
No
like
one. I never see it.
why? Because they're losing.
Yeah.
They're making money off people like everyone else.
Yeah.
I hate it. We're cleaning this. We're cleaning this up.
Show the good side.
We're cleaning this.
Always show the good
I'm on a
side.
mission. We're cleaning this up. I'm so serious right now. But yeah, yeah. I mean, me quitting, I don't see the point of me trading anymore. Cause this may sound arrogant, but it's not. Because number one, I don't need anything. I'm actually ridiculously frugal. As long as wife and mom's happy, I'm happy. So I don't see why I should develop health problems. I was developing gastritis, carpal tunnel. Not to mention stress, so I'm turning aggressive. I don't like none of that. So instead, I'm actually having a blast. Because all you guys, sure, it's a small community. Sure, I've only been on the internet 2 weeks, but I mean, I'm having fun socializing in a learning environment. You know, because education should be free. Don't you guys think? You know, it should be free, right? And then the unfortunate part is, if you see the real educators on YouTube on stocks, forex, anything finance, it's really like, you know, it has that finance image. You know, it's really boring. All they go over is the numbers, what percentage, economic calendars. It's boring. But then you see like a dude with a fake diamond chain, with a Lambo. Yo, you could do this. Just join my Discord, $25 a month. Anyway, you see where I'm going with this. So, in order for the markets to be cleaned up, is for you guys to become better traders, and I'm willing to spend my time doing that for the time being. I'm not gonna do more than 10 streams. You heard it here first. I'm not an entertainer. I'm not gonna do this long, but yeah, through the Discord. I'll be active on Discord. It's just the stream stuff. It's just I want to get as much information out there as possible because there is a limit to this. Like once you know a certain point, it's just you're fighting against yourself at that point. So I'll do 10 streams max, and I'm out. I'll be on Discord because I actually have to go after these people.
Yeah. How to manage your invest your port?
Oh, portfolio.
Yeah.
Portfolio.
Yeah.
I mean that's a different topic. I mean, personally, if we're looking at the macro end, because I believe I understand the macro end better than a lot of people, what's limited? Land is limited, right? And then a lot of people that are hodling even something as stupid as crypto. I'm sorry, you maxis that love crypto, but as of right now, it's just stupid. It's digital gold.
Land is
anyway,
right? Can touch.
Yeah, no. It's not about touch. It's supply and demand, like we talked about. There's always going to be new buildings and stuff, right? Just buy land.
Yeah.
On the macro end, like because people hold stuff for decades. Why not just hold? You know. So I like macro stuff in real life, but in trading, I like micro. You know, like intraday. So yeah, managing portfolio. I don't know, like. Whatever works for you. I despise expensive cars. I hate it. I hate diamonds. Hate diamonds.
Me too.
Only thing
it's like a stone. Yeah, like a stone.
Artificial stone.
Yeah. Same stone, but blink stone.
Dude, the light reflection isn't even as strong as cubic.
Yeah.
You know, A natural cubic is so much more rare than a natural diamond.
I think it's just,
But
just
but
stone.
obviously, I hate scammers. But De Beers, okay, you created an artificial market. I don't. Let's not get started. But anyway, yeah. If you guys have any more questions on anything, I'll be here to answer. I mean, I'm just chilling for now. I don't think I'm gonna upload this stream. I think I'm just gonna do snippets. Yeah. Uploading this mess is so unacceptable. But then there are neat noi gems.
Yeah.
So we'll make that into like 4 or 5 minute videos and shorts,
Yeah.
and actually grow the community, and then go after these guys. Because I can't do it alone. I need, because this is what I'm really doing is gathering data.
Yeah.
How even new traders can murder whales, and then I'm gonna actually implement. Here's the big picture. You guys hear it first. I'm trying to implement a new trader insurance protection program where whether you're 18 years old, 30 years old, or coming in the market at 50, you're vigilant. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. Because this is actually unacceptable. Like, what?
Yeah.
And because why it's unacceptable, I'll explain. Everything in life should be rotated. The most basic thing about Buddha is karma, right?
Yeah.
What goes around comes around. That's a good saying.
Everything happens.
What happens if the mouth of the river gets cut off and the water just stops flowing? It rots. It needs to flow.
Yeah.
So does blood. So does karma. So does any Olympic event. It's about flipping. It's just about rotation.
Yeah. It's
So is
natural.
money.
It's natural.
Money needs to be rotated for a healthy economy. Why is the old money making it into a pond that's about to rot? Because all the new money is getting screwed. This is so stupid.
Yeah.
Like, so I'm trying to fix this huge problem, which is incredibly hard. But I think I can do it in like 5 to 20 years. Yeah. 5 to 20 years.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Just start.
Yeah, I gotta start. Yeah.
We must start, right?
If I'm looking for a setup, what's the confirmation for me to get in? What's the decision made to cut it? Oh my gosh! So these are so. Okay, Rice. So this is So these are the questions that are incredibly hard to ask, right? You have to figure this out because I don't know your personality. I don't know if you're the type to wait 3 hours in line for a new social media restaurant just to eat mid food and overpay, or you're impatient like me and you're totally fine with just going to 7-Eleven and just taking care of the hunger instead of waiting 3 hours in line just for the gram. You understand? So I can't tell you the setup decisions to get in and out due to the fact that I don't know you personally on that level. So you have to do your own risk management. I really don't have an answer to you on that. I'm being super transparent. Well, the use of automated bots are incredibly important. Like, bots are a part of the game. Imagine no one's trading. Because I don't know if Thailand has a game like this. Americans doesn't have a game like this. Like drinking games. You guys, Americans play beer pong, beer bong, stuff like that. But then Koreans we actually play games. One of them is called Nunchi game. So I'll explain how to play that game. So everybody, is played in university. So there's 2 people. So there's 4 people. Nunchi means like you're observing the environment. So people order. It's like in America. Jinx, pinch and poke Yomi Coke. If somebody say the same word at the same time. So in Korea, it's like there's 5 people. So 1, and then you go 2, and then if 2 people go 3 at the same time, they got to drink. Right? So that's what's going on here in the market. Like everyone's just, like. So if there's no bots in the market, there's gonna be no price movements until the first person makes the move, right? So everyone's just gonna be like, ooh, So that's the difference. So bots are incredibly important because they provide liquidity in the markets.
If we use bot, normally we're gonna make profit or lose. It depends
If
on-
you have a bot,
Yeah.
you're gonna lose money.
Why?
Because the stronger the bots, the better the algorithm.
And right now I
So to put it on computer terms, the better your computer is.
I see on YouTube right now like a ChatGPT.
ChatGPT?
Chat ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Code, mod code, and copy, paste, and good.
You know why it's good? Because ChatGPT doesn't think. That's the computer chimpanzee. Just do this. So okay. That's why. But then like bots, if you program a bot, your bot's not gonna be more powerful than these institution bots. That's why it's not gonna work. That's why it's not gonna work.
It's the weak point of
It's not really a weak point. There's no weak points. There really is no weak points. But if you want to program your own bot, it's just like Bitcoin mining. The stronger the machine is, the more hash rate you get, the more blocks you mine. But then the bots are like, it's all algorithm based.
I see.
So what bots do is they determine the order books, the velocity of the orders at certain price points.
I see.
But then your bot's not strong enough to determine that
see.
more out.
Like a normal bot
Yeah.
can fight the
Impossible. That's actually impossible because
yeah.
now machines are fighting.
can
Humans
okay,
is possible.
Okay.
Humans is quite literally possible. You guys want to see something crazy? How like people are really trading? Like this is gonna blow your mind. Here, I'll show you guys. Like you, watch. You guys think whales are some institutions, right? This is like, so this is the kind of stuff I wanted to like show you guys to like actually show you. Watch. Over here somewhere. I'll show you guys the level you guys need to be to actually make millions in this game. Like, if a dude that quite literally made multi-millions is saying, I quit because of carpal tunnel, and you see this video, you're gonna know what I mean. Like, this is like perfect video example of what I'm talking about, and you guys actually need to see this. Because it's ruthless. Like, I'm telling you, it's ruthless. You actually have to have, like you have to be, let the market consume you. Like, where was it?
This guy looks super fun trader.
Oh yeah, he's funny. He's an entertainer. He's not a very good trader. But in the long run, it's bad because it makes it look like, short run is really good because where'd that go? Oh, there it is. All right. So this is how hard. So we're working on. Okay. Watch. Look. So these are Korean whales. Whales. They're all multis. They have at least 4 or 5 million in the bank. Okay. So they're all here in the house.
하루에 그러면 1억 가까이 다. 네, 이때
See, these guys open their P&L also. So look at their. This is average for them. Okay.
이게 다 날라간 거예요.
But then the difference between them, they like to keep all their money in the account.
좀 많이 갈렸어요.
For some reason, I like to have the number 22. Okay. Because one of my friends, he's banging, selling drugs, but then like at 22, he went to jail. He came back a new person.
Okay.
So I like to have $22,000 in the account, and then when it hits, for me, remember the consolidation thing? After like 70K, my bank, I like to take out in 50,000 increments.
I see.
That's why, like in the middle, you saw like $100, $600, $1,000, and then you see the big ones, right? $10,000, $20,000.
I see.
Yeah. So until I see the $20,000 move, I keep eating off the like 200, 600, 500. It adds up. Anyway, but like watch how these guys trade. So all these guys are just in a room.
또한 2억 정도
만들었다고?
네.
야, 코인에 왜 이렇게 괴물들이 많냐? 여기
And
중에서
then this is how bad you have to do it.
이어폰 끼고 자요.
So young.
뭐냐면 알람들.
This is how he sleeps. Right next to the computer. I'm dead serious. You have this is.
핸드폰으로 이거 알람.
You think it's a joke? It's not a joke.
아,
Look.
체결 소리 들으려고?
네.
진짜 여기서 자요 맨날.
He sleeps like this.
진짜 이불도 안 깔아. 이 진짜 이러거든요.
And then he puts his headphones right there just to hear the alarm, so he can.
이 정도로 노력은 한다 이거예요. 이게 인생이구나 이런 식으로. 다 이제 행복하게 사는 줄 아는데 사는 거는 비슷하더라고요.
24 hours.
지금 이렇게 모인 지가 얼마나 됐지? 한 2년.
All these fools.
근데
More than 2 years. And look at this. They're serious.
이렇게 새로운 거 치면 한번 해봐.
See? They opened their accounts. That's about 700,000 USD. That's about 700,000. And then, in his bankroll is like 500,000. In the trade right now. He's not even doing leverage right now. He's just showing his regular spot trading. You know.
저도 그만하고 싶어요. 이게
So this is the level you must do. They all open their accounts. You see? So the reason I'm showing you guys this is like people that are successful actually open their accounts. Like what I'm doing. I'm not ashamed to show you why I quit 6,000.
Because like focus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing to hide for us.
Yeah.
Why do I have to show you my Lamborghini? Why? There's no point. You know? So, but yeah, look, you want to talk in Thai to say hi to Thai people?
สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับคนไทยไม่น่ามีใครฟังนะ ไม่น่ามีใครฟัง We here in Bangkok
ไม่มีนนทบุรี
นนทบุรี
ใช่
ใช่ 10 minutes from Bangkok no one knows no one knows
10 minutes is
Yeah,
that's your problem.
Uh-huh.
If you guys say I'm Korean and I'm 10 minutes away from the North Korean border. So if I'm a North Korean soldier with a freaking gun, oh, I'm South Korean. I can't do that. You can't claim Bangkok when we're in Nonthaburi. Come on, man, stop it.
Yeah.
Don't do that. 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 Yeah, South Korea and North Korea near too.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Don't do that. Don't lie to the people. Maybe we'll reuse question, but I will go on. If you had $500, would you invest so I can snowball? Scalping day trade long run? Are you asking if I had a $500, or are you asking for a recommendation if you had $500? Because the totally different question. If I had $500, what would I invest in? If I had $500, man, it's hard because I've never invested $500 in my life. What would you do with $500?
I think
Like
separate.
it's like 17,000 baht.
Separate.
No, let's just say we're talking like stocks and forex and crypto. So what would you do with $500? Would you invest in a crap coin or do leverage?
Oh, no. For me,
For you,
Bitcoin.
Yeah. Bitcoin what?
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Just day trade or hold or what? What would you do?
It depends on your good. It depends on your skill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it depends on your skill.
If I had $500, I would do extremely high leverage, not up to 100, but I would do like 75x on XRP.
Or not.
That's what I would do.
Not.
I'm not even gonna lie. Like I would do XRP because this coin is so like graveyarded. You know, it's easy to predict, and I can actually eat off of 500, like 75x off of this thing right here. Look at this. Look how uniform this is. This is like free money. XRP's free money and leverage.
500.
XRP is like the gold in forex, except for this guy
Me love XRP too because they like a.
It's very uniform. Yeah. Yeah, XRP is very uniform. So if I had $500, I would go extremely high leverage on XRP. Because look at this, it's like mechanical. No one, you know why it looks like this? No one's buying this. These are all bots. Tell me one person that has purchased XRP in the past year. That wasn't initially holding XRP.
Me, I'm whole.
I know, but when did you first buy? A long time ago, right?
First buy.
Yeah.
Oh.
You bought it just the DCA, right?
4 years.
You
ago,
bought
right?
the DCA XRP, right?
No. I'm just bought like this year.
Wait, so
for a long time ago, I think 4
no,
years.
did you sell the XRP you bought?
Already sell.
Oh,
yeah.
So people, why'd you buy this? Anyway, yeah. So that's what I would do if I had $500. A recommendation? I can't recommend anything, honestly. This is the main point I'm trying to get across. I can't recommend you anything. Like if you ask me a question like this, I really can't answer. It's like the better question would be here. I have $500 and I'm looking at a SPY option put, or I have $500. I'm looking at a Bitcoin short. What do you think? And then I'd answer your question with another question. Like, you think it's gonna go long or short? And then you'd be like, I think it's gonna go long. I'd be like, why do you think it's gonna go long? Then we go from there. Like, I can't recommend you anything. So
It depends on that.
yeah, if you have a
That you
question, what you would do, I'll be more than glad to answer. This is the most transparent I can be. I can't recommend anything. How much did you make till this date, and what did you start? I started in 2017. So how did I start was my friends and I were doing arbitrage trading, because at the time in 2017 it went up to 58% difference, meaning Korean crypto was 58% more expensive than crypto in America. So my friends in America would buy crypto, send it to me, and we split the profit down the middle. And so in a day we'd make 28% profit, which is unheard of, and it's 100% legal. So I've been doing that. And then in 2021, we call it the kimchi premium, right? Arbitrage trading. In 2021, we started doing it again, but then that's the same time the margin / leverage trading was legal in Korea, number one. And then number two, I looked at charts so much doing the arbitrage, I actually got really good, because BTC or Ethereum at the time, it depends on like the gas and like the traffic, how long it takes for me to receive the Bitcoin to my Korean exchange, right? So if my American friends send it and it takes average of 45 minutes to an hour for me to receive it, I have to predict the charts to maximize profit. Because like if it's looking like this, for example, it's better for my friend to buy here and send it to me and I sell it here.
Yeah.
So even if it's 30, even if we're already making crazy money, I could amplify that. You know? So that's what we've been doing. That's what I've been doing.
price change every second.
So
You
one
want to predict time.
yeah. And then one time what really made me mad was my buddy sent me Ethereum, like $250,000 worth of Ethereum. And then I was expecting like a $8,000 profit. But it dumped. And instead it was like 4,000. To me that was unacceptable. That's when I found out about this site. There's, but then I was looking at charts so much already. So it was so easy. Like in 2021, when I first ever margin traded, believe it or not, I don't know anything. But then all I knew was when it's going to go up, right? 100% win rate. The first 9 trades. I think I made like $40,000 off of the first 9 trades. 100% win rate. No joke. No joke. And that was pure Ethereum. Like, cause back then there was no USDT perpetual. It was dollar pair. It was Ethereum US dollar pair. So if you won money, you didn't get USDT. You got more Ethereum out of it. So at the time it was like 38 Ethereum I gambled with. I call it gambling because back then I didn't know what I was doing. So that 38 Ethereum turned into 41. And then the funny thing is, I did all of this to get like $8,000 profit, right? But then the funny thing is, I just told you it's dollar pair. So I got more Ethereum, but Ethereum keeps dumping.
Why?
What do you mean why? People are, it's just dumping. It's just dumping. So I'm like going nuts. I'm like, oh my gosh, dude. Now it's actually eating into my pockets. And then I sent my friends back more Ethereum. So they're actually up on Ethereum. And of course, it's extremely bullish. So they're making hella money. Like, all right, thank you, man. I'm just like, and then that's when I really started to get into leverage.
Okay. Take
Yeah.
time, right?
Meme coins can take the risk or lose it all and make 1,000% basically. Yes, exactly. That's the difference. I'm trying to, the basic message we're trying to send here is, this is Texas Hold'em, okay? This is not Baccarat, okay?
But today Shiba plus 20%.
Shiba? No, the market itself is healthy. Like, every market is incredibly healthy right now. So, you can't FOMO in days like this. Because there's always someone better than you in the world, you know? Look at these coins. You know? Everything is pumping. If if you're in the red on times like these, I honestly super don't know what to tell you, because that tells me you're getting. Look at the coins that are in the red in days like this. All meme crap.
Yeah.
Popcat, you know how much this has been shilled all year? Come on, man. Come on, guys. Stop. Like you guys are ruining
Popcat
the space.
used to FOMO.
Yeah, I mean, so that's what's going on. Look at every coin that's in the red is like pure crap coins. You know, everything that's remotely solidified, like in the market, is all in the green. You know. Yeah, I don't think we have much questions. Lit and I will take personal questions. Like any type of personal questions we'll answer also. I mean, let's simply came to translate for Thai folks.
Yeah.
In case Thai folks came, but no Thai folks are asking anything, so. Hold on. Yes, exactly. Crypto saved my life 3 times. I haven't worked a normal job since October 22. October 2022. And I mean, I'm retired. I'm still gonna stay here and fight for the greater good. That's the mission. I love the space. I love the markets. I love the, I don't know. But I'm still gonna stay in this space, but I'm not gonna trade full time anymore. I'm so done. I'm so done. No more questions. Yeah, I think we're good. I mean, how long does it take to become a profitable trader? How much discipline do you have, brother? It may sound generic, but how much discipline do you have? I've seen traders that become ridiculously profitable within 6 months. And I've also seen traders that losing money all their lives. Because after the initial Reddit post I've made, some ex-JP Morgan guys and hedge fund managers, by the way, I'm really skeptical of anything on the internet also, so I asked for receipts. They have the receipts. And then one guy offered me $750,000 to trade for him, and he'll give me a 50% commission, which is unheard of. But I was like, no, I don't want to trade anymore. Then he's been telling me he's great at managing other people's portfolios, but when he trades with his own money, he loses every time. Why is that? Why is that? You guys know the answer to this. You guys know why that is. You can put 10 hours a day. Why 10 hours? What are you doing for the other 14 hours? Yo, Saudi, if you're on Discord, can you hop on Discord? Leonidas and it's so hard for me to, if whoever can hop on Discord, it'll be great. I'll undeafen and mute my mic so it doesn't echo. Like, whoever can hop on Discord and ask questions, that'll be great. Yeah, we've already answered it. Why is that JP Morgan guy so good at managing other people's money, but he sucks at managing his own money? He has no emotions with other people's money, right? Because he's certified.
Yeah.
If he loses like 10%, it doesn't matter because he's been good for decades, so he's good. But his own money, he's like, ah. That's the difference. That's the only difference. That's the only difference. At what do you look when trading as sell the news about the rumors? Let me pull up my Reddit thread. I don't even want to like say it too much, but it's straight up. It's right here. The answer's right here. It's always sell the news event. Always. 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 No, like, just read here. Intel giving us news that they signed $1 billion contract is not sell the news. Okay? That's great news. If you can get in early on the news, for example, the war thing I talked about earlier with BTC, when Israeli people and Iran, you know, they're having like, they always had beef for a long time, but then the missiles launched. If you got early on that news and shorted, wow, that's a big short, right?
Of course.
But then here's the difference between sell the news, right? If it happens suddenly, that's not sell the news. Okay? That's an announcement. Okay? Sell the news is some BS like Elon going on SNL. Okay? That's sell the news. Sell the news means Nvidia planned to charge us $8,000 for the 5090 card. Okay? And there's actually 1 million dumbasses that bought it. The cards are going to ship July 1st next year. Everybody buys because that's actually the announcement, right? We buy. But then when July 1st comes, whatever, and there's $8,000 cards come, that's when you sell. Nothing actually happened. Nothing happened. Like, simply they ship the cards. So people, stupid people, like, oh, this is the day my bags are going to pump. Oh, bro. So that's the difference between sell the news. Okay? What's the link for the Discord? I'm new to all of this. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I honestly am. Do I have a YouTube chat here? I do, right? Dang, I want to watch World so bad, but I have to answer people. How do I see my own thing here? Sorry. Boom. This is the Discord. Yeah, you guys. I'm actually on Discord all the time, so you can ask anybody. I'm really great at answering people. So you guys can ask anything, anytime. I'll make time for you guys. Okay. Look, how many beers we have left?
Yeah.
How many? No, how many?
One, I think one.
Yo, guys. Thailand only sells beers till alcohol. Two. Song, wife.
Oh, everything.
We have 26 minutes to buy beer.
Yeah.
Can you ask her to buy beer? Song. You already know. Go buy beer. Easy Panati. Hi. ไปเร็ว
5 ทุ่มครึ่งตอนเนี้ยอีก2 ป๋อง
That's enough. Wait. Look, are you gonna drink?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna
Dang, I hate. This is the only thing I hate about Thailand.
Alcohol timing.
Dude, Korea's 24-hour.
Yeah, I know.
The only places you can get alcohol after 12 o'clock in Thailand is places that no one should be at.
Holy shit, man. You're hilarious, Noel. You are hilarious.
It's stupid
Bro,
law.
If your wife goes and gets you
Stupid
beer,
law.
she's
How is
the
stupid
goat.
law? Yo, you know what the stupidest laws? Let's go over here, because we're just chilling, right?
Stupid law.
What do you think are the stupidest laws in the world? Huh?
But you know, Thailand is like a 5 alcohol drinker.
Yeah.
Well, I think 5 or 6. But we in the like a climate zone. Number one, I think Russian.
Number one was Korea.
Korea.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Small
No,
country.
no. So you go by volume. Alcohol, like you go by. There's different metrics for alcohol, also, right? So you can't really count. I mean, there's scientific metrics like wine, beer, blah blah blah. This is one. Get out of here. That doesn't matter. You gotta calculate by like the hard alcohol consumed per person.
I see.
Like for like it's like ratio. So if there's one murder that happens in 100 populated country, that's 1% murder, right? So if there's if there's a population of 100 and one murder happened that year, that means 1% of the population got murdered. So that skews with the statistics, right? But then we have to look at the macro scale. Like, we've got to average everything out. So like per 100,000 murders, that's how you decide on real. You can't look at the whole thing.
Okay.
But then Koreans, if you look at the actual statistics, so degenerate. I don't think you understand. You go to lunch in Korea. I always see soju bottles.
Yeah.
Always. You were in Korea. You saw it, right?
Every time.
How do they work so good? Hey, chat. Last time I saw Korean people, they get stuff done while drunk. Thai people, when they drunk, the same construction that would take 4 Koreans to do in 1 week takes 19 Thai people to do 2 months. So if you guys think labor's cheap here, it's not cheap, bro. It's gonna kill your time, and the amount of labor that you're gonna have to use, it evens out. You might as well go with the Koreans and Japanese. It's true, right?
It's true.
Freaking A. Oh, let's go to chat. Is everyone saying anything? What kind of wallets is safe to work with? It depends, bro. Any cold wallet is good. I've never had one. I mean, the Trust wallet is good enough. Just don't save your passphrases or anything anywhere. Just wallets. Wallets are wallets.
I never use hard wallet.
Me neither.
Or it can be lost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they buying beer? Leo. Yeah. Leo. Huh? We have hella time. Go run. See what I'm talking about? No time. There's 22 minutes to go to a 7-Eleven. If it was a Korean person, they would have. Dan, can you buy me beer? No? Aw, can you buy me beer?
Tell me so. How is that not enough for you?
That's 2 beer, man.
No, not drink. You have to drive back.
Okay, that's enough then. But no, look at us sleep here, yo.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna finish in half an hour.
Half an hour? Okay. Bye.
เพื่อนมึงอ่ะอยู่ไหนอ่ะ
ขาย
ฮะ
สำโรง
อุ้ยเชี่ยไกลที่ไหน
ชั่วโมงนึงอ่ะ
ไกลมากอ่ะ
Yo,
โคตรไกลอ่ะ
let's just ask another Thai girl what race is she. She's like, I'm Thai.
เจอไดโนเสาร์แอด
You look Myanmar.
โทรได้ปะ
ก็ได้เห็นอยู่
Is that your coping mechanism? It is.
Bye.
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 Yeah, I feel sorry for that dinosaur. Probably hella sodium on that. Hella salty. Cry on that. You know what I'm saying? Hella use it as a crying pillow. When do we have to register for tournament? Like through your link? Anytime. This tournament, honestly. Okay, guys, listen. Let's just be super transparent about everything. Because there are devious dudes. Here, let me damn, I want to show these guys, but I don't want to like put in my password and shit here. So this is holy crap, a lot of people signed up. And I don't care, because look, I'm a partner level affiliate. Like, as in, like, the exchanges are they want me to promote, but I've never done it. Look, 0 USDT. Okay? I've never promoted in my life. Like this tournament is literally my last hurrah. So anybody who wants to join, like, but you have to be willing to learn. There's no shortcuts. I'm not gonna carry everybody so you guys can get money. So just come to Discord. I'm being super serious. I'm not. I'm all for helping people, but I'm not all for giving handouts. You know. But then I'm all for like rewarding you a ridiculous amount if I see improvement.
Help people who ready.
Yeah. And I'll know because I've seen it. You know. So hey brother, if you want to register, go ahead. Like, is there a QR code there? Because I don't even know how these codes work, to be honest. Like, I think the banners. Just scan the QR. You know. It should register under me, I think. We'll keep updated on Discord, but matter of fact, I should take the freaking banner down. I don't like it. It's like I'm shilling.
Can Chimpanzee join?
Huh?
Can Chimpanzee join?
Who?
Chimpanzee. A monkey.
Chimpanzee? Hell yeah, chimpanzee could join. Shit. But I think acquiring a chimpanzee to trade will be more expensive than the payouts. You know. Yeah, if anybody else want to ask questions, man, like it could be anything, trading life. You know what I'm saying? Like anything. I'll be chilling for a little bit because you know I don't think I'm gonna leave this public. I'll leave. Can you do 1v1 teaching? Damn, it's more of a time issue. I would love to, brother. I can't promise you 1-on-1, but there's a lot of people asking for 1-on-1. And if you're in the Discord, and the time zones are right, we'll have like a small 3 or 4 people teaching session. And honestly, I could do it right now if you're on Discord. I'm being super serious. If you want to hop on Discord right now and you want to ask the questions you want to ask, I will do 1-on-1 coaching right now because I'm pretty sure the questions you're gonna ask are, you know, they're in line with a lot of questions that are gonna be asked. You know. The scanner doesn't open up? Oh my gosh, dude. So many. Really? This doesn't work? Make it bigger? I don't know. Here, try now. Will you make more live streams? I will do. During the trading period, it's going to be like a WoW raid. If you guys play games, like vanilla WoW, like the first time you guys went to Blackrock, you know, etc. It's going to be like that. So I'm literally going to, and I don't care if people copy me, whatever, you know.
Right.
But yeah, during the month of October is going to be when I'm incredibly active on thing. Roy. Hello, man. Oh, give a shout out. Damn, see, this guy looks like a hella good trader. Holy shit, I developed carpal tunnel. But this fool looking at the screen so much, look. His sunglasses turned into bars, bro. Look, damn. What kind of music you listen to?
What?
What kind of music you listen to?
Me? Oh, many kind. I love
what kind of music?
Electric.
You want no. If it's copyrighted, I don't want to. That's the one thing.
I see.
Yeah, I want to play hella music, but most of them are copyrighted.
I see.
That's the problem. You like EDM?
No, I don't like EDM.
You said electric, fool. Like electric EDM, no?
But many kind of electric.
Many kind of electric?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so vague. You know what? My lady is Thai, right? The answer she gives me sometimes. Where are you? In the car. Oh. Look how big this is. What kind of music you like? Electric. What are you talking about? Electric guitar? EDM? Freaking what are you talking about?
Do you know this? Like a Epic and
Epic.
Epic step, no? Dumb step.
like dubstep plus
Yeah,
epic.
yeah,
That sounds
it's good, it's
hella
good.
whack.
It's good.
Let me listen.
It's good.
That sounds so whack. The titles are already whack. Royalty, Ready for War, Burn, Rise Up. Dude, this sounds like a cult freaking. Let me see.
It's like a.
I'm gonna play no stream, but.
It's famous. Very famous.
Dude. Okay. Okay.
That's good.
You actually listen to this in the
Yeah.
car and shit?
Yeah, of course.
Why are you getting pumped up for? What kind of war are you getting ready for? Dude,
My
You're-
life is so boring. Huh?
this is war. You got liquidated. You lost the war. Bro. You lost the war.
Not boring.
Damn, okay. So it's his coping mechanism after he gets liquidated. Alright. Come on, bro. You want to listen to rap? Do you have any Thai rap you can share with us?
yeah, rap.
Thai rap.
Thai rap. Normally I don't listen.
What kind
Thai.
of okay?
I don't listen
What
Thai.
rap do you listen to? American rap?
Yeah.
Who? Who's your favorite? Give me your top 3 artists. American
Top three
rap.
up. Not sure. Not sure. Top 3. How about? Not sure. Rap.
Yeah, rap. Who's your top 3 rap artists?
Hmm.
Does anybody have top 3 rap artists that you guys like?
For you?
No, ask chat. No, it's pretty quiet here. No, we're just chilling. I mean, yeah, we're just straight chilling.
Mac Miller's always on the list. The top
Mac
three
Miller's
for sure.
Mac Miller's cool. Mac Miller's cool. Hey, brother, how old are you? Brother, how old are you? Vamp? Mac Miller? Yeah, it's unfortunate he passed. I don't know, the greatest rap, in my opinion, it depends what you mess with. But from a storytelling perspective, so there's always like, so you know how in sports they say that evolves, right? Always evolve. That's the main argument in sports, right? Like today's athletes are better than the old athletes, right?
I'm 27.
But then, is that really true though?
27.
27. Yeah, okay, that's why you're saying Mac. So.
There's a little delay here, brother, but
no, I
it's
understand.
all good.
But okay, Mac Miller. Okay, 27 Mac Miller. Who else do you listen to, brother? Like in rap, that you would consider okay, he's worth me recommending to people without looking like an idiot. Like
NF. How about?
I don't even know who that is.
Yeah, you don't know.
No, I don't know.
Ah, it's good. Good. It's real good.
Let me listen to it for 10 seconds. I'll tell you if it's good or not.
Real good.
I'm on my way.
You look at the wheel.
Yeah, I don't care about the views. I can never listen to this.
Wow. Real good. NF.
It's all right. So like, there's different things you have to look into. Like, I would say storytelling.
Mm-hmm.
So if we're going the athlete thing, right? Like today's athletes are better than the old. That's the invalid argument because it always peaks and it goes back down. Because today's rap is garbage. So we start from Sugar Hill Gang. That's the first rap song ever.
Honestly, right now, like my favorite artist, you can consider some of his stuff rap, but his name is IV Oxygen.
Mm-hmm.
He's my all-time favorite right
All-time
now
favorite?
for sure.
IV.
I'd recommend him to anyone. Honestly, I would invest. If he was a stock, I would invest 100%.
Oxygen.
Yo, see, I love analogies, bro. You're okay. IV oxygen? Okay. Yo, this fool look Russian as fuck, bro. Okay, okay. I mean,
Which song you recommend?
yeah, which song of IV oxygen would you recommend, brother?
Please.
But I see what kind of music it is. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see what kind of rap you like. But then going back on the artist thing, or the athlete thing, it always peaks and goes back down. Like, what's the purest form of exercise ever? Purest form of exercise, period. What is the purest form of exercise? Running.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the purest form of exercise.
Yeah. Walking, running.
You go back on the Olympics, the 10-second barrier was the thing, right? Okay, but then if you look at today's athletes, right, you can argue the times are getting better. But then have you considered the track conditions? Because they used to run on dirt. Have you considered the shoes? Have you considered the clothes?
Yeah.
Have you considered the clocks? Have you considered the closed out stadium so there's no wind resistance?
Everything.
Nope. Everything is for context.
Back to basic, right?
So no, it always peaks and then it comes back down. Okay? So we peaked so far with Usain Bolt, right?
Yeah.
Like peak conditions, peak everything, right?
Yeah.
So now rap, we start with Sugar Hill Gang. That's the first rap song. It's just a party song. And then rap evolving, right? So now we have Rakim. Now Rakim is a good storyteller. So Rakim influenced people like Eminem, Nas, Jay-Z, etc. What do they have in common? Great storytellers.
Great storytelling.
Okay? The greatest storyteller ever is Nas. If you're ask me one single song, pure storytelling, where it's like visual text level, good, it's One Mic. One Mic by Nas. That's the hood story. The storytelling has dwindled after that song in 2001. Quite point blank period. No other song that's commercial has told a better story than that song. Okay, so that's my top tune storytelling. And then we have delivery, which is how you deliver.
Nas is fire for sure.
So delivery.
Nas.
Now we start working with who could
fire.
deliver. That sounds aesthetic, right? Big Pun's the GOAT. Big Pun. Yeah, he's the GOAT delivery. Yeah, exactly. He's the GOAT. Okay. The GOAT in general, in my opinion, everything is my opinion on the stream. Is Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne.
Easily. You know why? Because any favorite artist someone has, they probably have hit songs. Like, and then if we're talking like anybody that's on like GOAT level, they have like at least 30 hit songs. Lil Wayne has had a run with thousands of songs, like a 4-year run, unmatched. That's why he's the GOAT. The greatest peak is 50 Cent. Peak.
Yeah.
Peak is 50 Cent. Nothing in rap history will touch 50's debut album and the impact that it's had. Okay? The greatest peak is 50. Single peak. The greatest consistency for a long period of time is Jay-Z, but only in American markets. Nobody in Asia gives a damn about him. Jay-Z is just an American, one of those like
only American.
Only American. So he's not even respected internationally. So he's out the window. He's nowhere near form the GOAT. Okay. And then Eminem, the greatest wordplay ever. The way he says words while delivering. Eminem's the GOAT in wordplay. Okay.
For me, lose myself.
Yeah, exactly. Like,
very good.
yeah. So we have a lot of GOAT things, but then like to me, the GOAT overall is Lil Wayne. GOAT peak 50 Cent. You know, GOAT storytelling Nas. You know,
Eminem.
and Eminem's just like
Like a,
anybody's top 3 period. You understand? Like
they're like a,
you can't really touch him. By the way, Eminem, I have a book coming. And it's trademarked. No one can copy it. Eminem could have been the greatest candy. Eminem, arguably... Oh, okay. Let's say it again. Eminem, arguably the GOAT candy. Chocolate. Eminem, arguably the GOAT rapper. Eminem, my book, Emotion and Momentum. It has to do with life and trading. Woo! Fire! Probably the GOAT greatest free education you'll receive in your life. Boom. Stamp. Emotion and Momentum. Eminem. Trademarked.
listen NF.
No. We're not gonna listen to this one. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff to cover and do. Kendrick's good. Kendrick's the new gen GOAT for sure. But yeah, if we don't have any more questions, I mean, yeah. Now we're just chilling. I don't think we have to necessarily wrap the stream up. I simply won't just make it public. I'll just do a lot of snippets. But yeah, I don't think we have to wrap it up or anything. Because now everyone's just chilling. You know? And shit, listen to music and shit then. That's not copyrighted, by the way. Let's see.
My song.
No, please turn it off. Please turn it off. Please turn it off. Dude, you know what that song sounds like? That song sounds like those, you know, like after we have like a big World Cup or like an event, and then after it finishes, 2 months later, after everybody stops caring, we see like an 8-minute tribute video, and the opening song is like, oh, no, nobody.
I like it.
That's what it sounds like. I don't know. No, just chill now. Alright, guys. I don't know. I think oh, be right back. Bathroom. Y'all like my pants though? Y'all like my pants? Hey, you go bathroom first. Yeah, Lou, you've been working out. You've been working out. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in the chat. Damn. Damn. Okay.
Oh, so tired. So sleepy. Wait for a moment. In the toilet. Well, you want to continue the streaming? You continue the streaming? I think I'm gonna.
It's okay. You can go.
Okay.
Say bye.
Okay.
Bye. Say bye in Thai too.
Bye.
No, not to me. Say bye to them.
Okay. Bye the world.
Say bye Thai people.
Bye Thai people.
You gotta say in Thai.
สวัสดีครับ Bye sayonara.
Bro, okay. Alright, but we'll have fun. Alright, look.
Right, I gotta go.
Chai.
Yeah.
Check out.
Yeah, take care.
See
you next week. Yeah.
What's the next streaming schedule?
My house.
Hold on, let's see. Your house? You gonna have internet?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I'll be there. We'll stream it. Little house is so big, guys. It's large. This house is large. We're talking like large. Okay.
Next week.
All right.
If I got internet, I will call you.
Yeah, if you have it, if you have internet, yes, please call.
So poor.
Jeez. All right, look.
Bye.
All right, now we're just gonna super chill. Let's take the banner out. Ugly. I won't leave it, but small. Up. Future's new album, or Future isn't Future's future gone? Isn't Future's future done for? Haven't heard that fool in 2000 before COVID. I haven't heard his name since before COVID. I like Childish though. Oh, actually, there's quite a bit of chat. Let me actually read them. Yeah, y'all can ask me anything. AMA, quite literally AMA. You know what? Here's the okay. Let me actually do a snippet of this. This is gonna be a YouTube short. So here is what our Discord chat looks like, guys. So I believe psychology is the single most important aspect of life, and trading is obviously that I stated before. It's all psychology, right? So basically, what you need to do is basically find yourself and be able to control your emotions. Like, for example, if you guys have friends that they have like personalities, the answer you're gonna get. If I say this to this person, automatically defensive, sensitive, whatever, right? But then you have to throw all that out the window when you trade. So you see how hard that is? So imagine your friend or mother or cousin or teacher, whatever, that how they act, right? And it's like instant because their brain is wired that way. Genetics, environmental stress, whatever. It's like instantly defensive or coping or instantly deflective, whatever it is. Imagine them having to fix that level, because all of that stems from insecurity. I'm not kidding. All of that stems from insecurity. People lie to themselves all the time, right? Look in the mirror. Really don't lie to yourself. That's incredibly hard to do. So that's what you actually need to overcome to become consistently profitable in trading, which is why I just explained. Top 1% make money. Top 10% consolidates. They make little money. The other 90%, it goes straight from challenger, master, if we're talking league standards, challenger, master, 10%, straight to silvers and bronzes and woods. That's the reality of trading. You're either going to lose all your money or make hella money, or just basically it's going to even out. The consolidation that I'm talking about is you just have another $30 an hour job in the long run. So it's incredibly hard because these are facts. This is facts. I'll actually straight up say this is facts. If you're strong enough to be disciplined to completely change yourself, not normally, not in life, but when you're trading, and I assume you're looking at the charts 10 hours a day. So basically you have to change yourself and completely be emotionless for that 10, 12, 14 hours a day that you're trading. And I'm sorry to break it to you, but if you're trading 1-2 hours a day, you're better off just doing low leverage, holding for a long time. This intraday stuff is not cut out for you. Okay? Point blank period. These are facts. There's no shortcuts. What exactly did you do to lose all that mass? Like, wake up in the morning. I don't eat I eat from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. 6 hours. So I'm on an 18-6 intermittent fasting schedule. And today's an exception. I was actually going to hold off on alcohol until Halloween because I know we're going to get first place with you guys. Just celebrate with you guys on stream. But, I mean, first stream, I think is a good excuse to drink. Let's be real. I'm not being real with myself. It's an excuse to drink, but intermittent fasting, 18-6. Wake up, go to the gym. Gym's like 8:30 to 9 a.m. I go, and it's short. It's like 40 minutes, and then And then I chill, get 2 big old Americanos, and then I do cardio. And then I eat not even that clean. I don't eat that clean. And then the last meal though, I eat super clean. It's like super, super clean and drop like, I don't know. Drop a lot. Let's just say. Even your face. You guys pinch your face. Look. Your skin doesn't stretch this much. A lot of loose skin. You know? A lot of loose skin everywhere. Like, a lot everywhere, you know? But I'll wear it proudly. Because I overcame it. So, it applies to trading too. All the big P&Ls, all the big losses you guys did is there. But right now, you're happy. Your portfolio's in the green. And that's what we're trying to aim for. So... yeah. Well, yeah, mine gets more clear and faster. It's like, that's why it's, you know, it's written religious. Started for religious reasons, but then I also had health benefits, so I started doing that fasting stuff. I actually broke a fast yesterday. I was like 42-hour one. I broke it today. How many trades do you take on average per day? It depends. If the market is slow, right? Because it was looking good here, but then if the market's slow, we go to a more volatile coin that's a little less market cap. Let's say Solana, for example. And we go on low time frames, and then just eat all day. Like, I mean, Solana's not a good example either. It's more of a meme coin, you know. If it's like meme coins, I don't know, 15 to 30 trades a day. If it's Bitcoin, if it's a big move, one trade could last more than a week. So that's also a hard thing to answer. Like, if it's Bitcoin and the big moves happening, it can last a week. Because back here, if we go back here, right? Like the 50K consolidation phase, right here. Solana. So like, yeah, here, like we're the 50, like, what's the 50? Right here. See how tight it is? Because I remember this was more than a week, and it was so, it's trading in such a tight range. So like these trades, I would stay longer than a week. But then when like crazy stuff like this is happening on, it's like, I don't know, the one every 2-3 days. Did you think that success on trading, you need to be like those Asian guys that sleep close to the chart and BTC are obsessed? Doesn't that apply to everything in life? You think Jordan and Kobe became great in basketball by practicing when they had the time? No. Their lives revolve around basketball. Okay? If you see any great on anything in the world, their lives revolves around the thing they're trying to be great at. You don't make time to be great. You have to let that activity consume you. So there's a reason why those guys that sleep on the floor with alarms on their headsets are multimillionaires. Because they simply know the concept of letting the activity consume them. And this is another reason why 90% of traders will not make money, because they think trading is a game that they could just play and add income to their existing jobs or existing. It just doesn't work like that, okay? Simply does not work like that. Period. I mean, I'll chill for a little bit, but if you guys are done with questions, this stream will not be public, actually, because I'm incredibly dissatisfied with it, how messy it's been, and I'm drinking, which is not good. But I think we should use this has the time to create shorts and stuff, so we can actually find new people that actually want to learn. Because I haven't even said many things that were like educational or anything, just babbling. I think we should wrap it up then. So but yeah, I'll leave it in the Discord, guys. Yeah, Discord chat's up there. All right, let's wrap it up. Okay. Yeah, we'll wrap it up. All right, guys, love you all. Yeah, I'll post the socials in the Discord, and okay. Yeah, it's time to go back to work. Yeah, if there's no more questions, I'll drink one more beer and just log off. What are your resources? Well, it depends, right? Like, if you're lazy, here's the problem with like Google or any search engine, according to a certain news. So see, these are the questions that I want, because I could provide detailed, explanations. If you are looking at, for example, right? What's a good example? Formative news. So this is so vague. Like, what news are you talking about? Are you talking about, like, it depends what you trade. Are you trading commodities? Are you trading, what are you trading? Are you trading like publicly traded companies? Are you trading crypto? Because if it's crypto, there's not much news. Simply put, you just, there's all crypto news is trash. It's full of Michael Saylor bought how much and some stupid analyst that's not even qualified is saying Bitcoin's gonna go 1.2 million. So honestly, there's no such thing as good crypto news, bad crypto news. Because last time I checked, Elon's been texting about, tweeting about Doge not too long ago. It didn't even move the prices, right? So crypto, there's no real news. So you just go to the crypto subreddit and browse the first page. And if it's not all trash articles, maybe you click one. But as for other informative news, I don't know. Find a niche, however you want to say it. Subreddit or a Facebook group page, because they're gonna have the best news. The problem with search engines for news, right? If something happens, every media outlet covers the same news. So you're gonna see the same thing, like multiple. You're not gonna see like different variations of it. So that's the problem. So finding a niche place to go and getting news, I would say is the best place to get news. Did you see my massage on Discord? I mean, if I wanted a massage, I would quite literally go outside. I'm in Thailand. And also get a happy ending. So, no, I did not get your massage on Discord. Trading stocks, futures, and crypto. Yeah. So that's a good question. See, crypto right now is pure instincts, man. Like, it really is. There's no way around this. Well, how are you gonna predict if a low market crap coin is gonna dump or pump? And then Bitcoin, obviously, I just explained earlier. It's the macro end of crypto. It's like the big daddy. It's the Ron Jeremy of crypto, right? So it follows everything. It follows economic news. It follows war. It follows NASDAQ. It follows every FOMC meeting. So Bitcoin is actually incredibly easy. So Bitcoin, you don't even need news. You just look at it on a macro end. You'll find the answers. There's no good news. Pumping up like Elon and Dogecoin. Listen, if we're talking peak history, for the time spent with the most impact, it's Elon. Let me be specific. All Elon had to do back then with Doge, whatever you want to call it, one tweet would move the price of Doge 10-20 cents, which, if we're talking market cap, billions of dollars, we're not talking 10 figures, we're not talking 9 figures, we're talking like tens of billions. We're talking 10-figure movements, right? Off of one tweet. So in human history, I would say the biggest, most powerful, like peak, like for the time and energy consumed to move that amount of money was Elon. But the cool thing here is Elon's life has triple topped in 2021. I promise you, his life has peaked then. Okay? After he screwed over so many small investors, you know, being incredibly greedy. Why are you so greedy? I won't even start on Elon, but yeah, his life has already triple topped and his life is only bottom from here. He's never gonna hit the same tops he's had. You know, all of his fanboys are not as loyal. It's over for him. F that guy. So nice. Hurricane all week. Oh, please stay safe. It's been flooding in Thailand too. Okay, yeah, I think we should wrap it up. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to actually keep this video private. But oh, you guys, if there's anyone that's watching this video that would recommend that you would vouch for, that knows how to edit YouTube videos, like shorts and, you know, up to 5 minutes, like, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm incredibly hard to work with, aka like I'm kind of on your ass, perfectionist, kind of like weirdo, right? But if you guys, but you will be handsomely compensated. I don't know what the going rate is for content editing for YouTubers, but if you guys know anyone that has the time, because I want a quick, you know, I want like 10, 15 shorts. It's not hard. It's just this stream right here. Just some snippets. If you guys know anyone that edits, please let me know. Please. Because I don't have time to do all this. This is like, yeah. If you guys can send me anyone that knows how to edit videos, because I don't want to. I will do it, but I really don't want to. You know, if you guys can recommend me a YouTuber, or not a YouTuber, but a person that edits, that'd be great. So we'll be stopping the stream now. Yeah, you guys have the Discord. I'll post it one more time on thing. Then yeah, I'll see you guys soon. All right, love you guys all. Blessed day, and good night.